Pilay. Walang ganyanan kasi. And Tony Jaworski defies Father Time. All natin pa.
Nasa ibabaw pa rin ang team standing sa koponan ng Gordon's Gin, ngunit hindi na sila mukhang imposibleng talunin. Natapos ang elimination round ng Boars sa pamamagitan ng 2 sunod na talo at may mga nagtatanong kung ito ang umpisa ng pagbagsak ng Gordons. Mukhang argabyado sa lineup ang San Miguel kontra sa Gordons, ngunit nag-uumpisa ng gumaling ang mga manlalaro ng Beermen samantalang nagkakaroon ng konting problema sa injury ang Gordons. Makuulit kaya ang Beermen sa Boars upang maumpisahan ang kanilang kampanya makarating sa finals? O makukuha kaya ng Gordons ang unang hakbang patungo sa kanilang mini-meeting championship? Yan ang ating katanungan ngayong gabi dito sa pagpapatuloy ng semifinals ng 1997 PBA All-Filipino Cup.
Sino kayang unang makakakuha ng hakbangin hinahabol tungo sa championship? Yun nga po ang ating masasagot patapos ang araw na ito. Ito po ang ating Friday's main event. Pagtatapat ng San Miguel at Gordons sa ating main event dito sa Araneta Coliseum. At Dr. J, magandang gabi sa iyo. Pag-usapan agad natin ang katayuan ng Gordons kasi nasabi kanina, nasa ibabaw sila ng team standings dito sa ating carry-over, Dr. J.
Pero 2 sunod na talo sila doon sa elimination, so marami nagsasabi baka nag-pick na sila ng maaga, pababa na ba sila? Obviously, I don't think that's the case. A very important factor, Chino, para sa Gordons is ang pagbalik ni Pido Harencio sa kanilang lineup today in replacement, of course, of the injured Maki De Hoya. Si Mark Orquillas rin yata, in-adjust na rin nila, binalik nila si Teroy Alvarillo sa injury release.
So makikita nyo maaga pa lang, meron ng mga adjustment papunta rito sa pinaka-critical na portion. Ito po ang simula ng ating semifinals. Dr. J, pag magtatapat ang Gordons at saka San Miguel, maganda tong tapatan. Nasabi mo na sa akin na minsan, itong taon na ito mukhang taon ng mga power forwards. Yung match-up ni Noli Locsin, isang tangke, at yung toro ng San Miguel na si Nelson Aceitono.
Yes, si Nelson Aceitono averaging almost 30 points a ball game and 9 rebounds. On the other hand, si Noli Locsin halos magbe-20 isang ball game at mahigit sa 10 rebound. Pero ang field goal percentage ni Noli Locsin is so much better than Nelson kasi si Nelson mahilig rin tumira sa 3-point area at saka sa mga 18-footers.
Okay, Dr. J, dito sa tapatan itong dalawang to, sino bang mas bibintahe? Yung tangke o yung toro?
Well, kung talagang sa play, mas madaming play na pupuntahan ang San Miguel para kay Nelson Aceitono. While kay Locsin, most of the plays or the shots that he makes, ang sarili niyang creation. In other words, he knows how to make his own shots. And he has higher percentage, so I favor the player that has a higher percentage in field goals.
Okay, nakilala natin ang dalawang personalities. Kami po ni Dr. J magbe-break. Sa pagbabalik, ang key sa laban na ito ng Gordon sa San Miguel Beer. Okay, kapag may laro ang Gordons, alam nyo kung gaano karami nagsusumiksik dito sa Araneta o sa Cuneta sapagkat alam nyo kung sino ang naglalaro. Yan ang paborito ng masa. Yan po ang Gordons, katapat nilang San Miguel. Papunta sa gerang ito, semifinals, Dr. J. Papunta ng finals. Ano bang weapon meron dadalin o unang dadalin na weapon ng dalawang koponan na ito?
Well, alam natin ang San Miguel is one of the best defensive teams and obviously they must use that to beat this fast offensive team ng Gordon's Gin. Ang Gordon's Gin naman ang #1 offensive team. They have 4 players who averages in double figures led by Marlo Aquino and Noli Locsin. Saka tapat naman nila ang San Miguel Bears, si Nelson Aceitono at saka si Olsen Racela lang ang nagdo-double figures dyan with Mike Mustre and the other guys like Alan Kaidik just below 10 points a ball game.
Dr. J, normally ang mga defensive players ay mga unsung hero sa PBA. Dito po sa PBA, bibigyan namin ng parangal yung mga defensive stoppers ng San Miguel Bears. Makikita ninyo at makikita natin, Dr. J, kung gaano kalaking bagay ito si De La Cruz, si Abuda at si Digdadisa sa kampanya ng San Miguel.
Definitely, lalo na si Art De La Cruz because siya ang pwedeng dumipensa dito kay Noli Locsin. I don't think they will risk Nelson Aceitono trying to guard Noli Locsin. Unang-una, mafa-foul trouble siya. Saka tingin ko ang depensa ni Aceitono hindi po pwede para kay Noli Locsin. So Art De La Cruz is gonna play a big factor and maybe Ives Digdadisa will come in and try to stop Noli Locsin in this ball game.
Okay, anong mas may bentahe? Depensa o opensa? Yan po ay masasagot sa aming pagbabalik sapagkat sa pagbabalik namin ni Dr. J, opening tip ng ating main event dito sa Araneta, Gordons at saka San Miguel.
14, Olsen Rosella. At guard, number 7, Mike Ustre. And center number 11, Nelson Asayolo. And forward number 25, Ray Laguna. And at forward number 18, Art De La Cruz. Head coach is Juan Jacobs, assistant coach is Joe Chico. And now starting for Gordon's Gym.
Dr. J, hindi ko alam kung panahon lang to o dahil sa laban, pero mainit ng konti. Pagkatanggal ng Amerikano natin, akala ko lalamig na, mainit pa rin.
Yes, it is quite warm at talagang alam natin mabigat ang summer months. Kaya nagtitinda na nga ako ng electric fan. Hindi, nagtitira lang ako.
May bagong racket si Dr. J.
Hindi naman. Pero nakita natin medyo sigurado mabigat na labanan ito katulad nung unang laro, Santa Lucia versus Pure Foods. Dikit na dikit ang laro. Umpisa na ng semis, siguradong bakbakan dito sa PBA.
Sabi nga nila, dito magkakahiwalay yung mga bata at saka yung mga tunay na lalaki.
Yes.
Gordon's Gin, suot-suot ang kanilang familiar na puti. Ang magsisimula para sa kanila si David, si Hison, Aquino, Locsin, and Jaworski Jr., Racela Mustre, Asaytono, Abuda, and De La Cruz. Gordons, yan at yan ang kanilang starting lineup.
Except of course when Pido Arencio is around. But he is around, so siguro medyo bagong salta pa lamang si Pido. Baka bigyan niya siya muna ng feel by letting him come off the bench. Pero alam ko he's ready to play already.
Opening top, re-jump, sapagkat pagtapik, hindi naman na-establish ang posisyon. Ang nakikita natin sa pwesto, si Asaytono again against Marlo Aquino. This is a re-jump. At dito sisiguraduhin na hawak ng San Miguel Beer ang bola.
Well, hindi matapik ni Aquino yung bola sa likod, no, para sa mga kanyang kakampi. Let's see this matchup of Racela versus David.
Mustre at saka si Hison, magandang matchup din. And Dr. J, first shot, 3-pointer, masamang pangitan inito para sa Gordos. Pumukul agad yung Asaytono.
Well, libreng-libre siya. But actually, Aquino could have challenged him. Pero napansin natin, Chino, parang gusto ni Aquino. Sige, tumira ka muna. Pero ito, hindi rin magandang foul ang ginawa ni Asaytono. Wala kang pagkakataon talaga makaagaw ng ganong klaseng bola. Magbibigay ka ng, you would say, a useless foul in this case.
Malamig si Asaytono, malamig ang diskarte niya. Although mainit yung kami niya sa 3 points, pagbalik niya, unang foul niya, 5 na lang ang pwede niya ibigay sa ball game na ito. Buka si Dudut. Dudut fires. Dudut misses. At ang bola palalabasin ni Art De La Cruz. Suot ng San Miguel Beer ang kanilang familiar na pulang uniforme. At merong stripe na puti at saka dilaw sa gilid.
Some pressure in the backcourt, partnered by David against Olsen Racela.
Dr. J, sa mga previous encounter ng dalawang kupunan na ito, nakikita natin na may kababaan ng score. Mababa kung i-compare natin doon sa mga score ng ibang teams nung sa elimination.
Yes, we have another loose ball foul at nagbuda. Actually, 83-81 yung unang beses nagtagbo itong dalawa and nanalo ang Gordons on the 3-point shot by Bad David, I'm sorry. And the second time around, 88-85 naman, nanalo naman yung San Miguel by 3 points. So, I think that's a pretty fair score, you know, that they go over the 80s. Katulad ng first game natin, alam naman natin, 75-73, no?
Pababa ang score, pinanalunan ng kupunan ng Pure Foods sa last seconds ng ball game na yon. Samantala, ang unang error at Dr. J, ito ay napakalapit na kaibigan mo, si Glenn McDonald.
Yes, it's nice to see Glenn at sa kanyang may bahay na si Peaches. I have not seen them for many years. Remember, they played for us in UTEX in 1978 and 79-80, won 2 championships. The last being here at Araneta in 1980 against Toyota. No? Tapos nag-coach rin niya sa UTEX. So, he's a nice fellow, former Boston Celtic.
Saka Dr. J, sarap din ng gano'n, no? Parang reminiscing, no?
Yes.
At ito pong lugar na ito ay napaka-historic na para sa napakaraming fans ng basketball sa buong Pilipinas. Aba, Dr. J, baka kailangan ng Gordos ang konting panggising.
Yes, and that's going to be an offensive foul in being season. 7-0 start. Yan ang sinasabi ko. When you start losing and they have lost 2 in a row, while San Miguel has won 2 in a row, you lose a little of your tempo and you lose a little of the confidence that you have when you usually play after winning ball games.
Dr. J, nasunog nga kaya itong kupunan ng Gordos?
Hindi pa naman siguro. I think they're still a very young team, so hindi naman siguro masusunog. Pero ang problema, yung kumpiyansa.
Racela missing. Asaytono high up. Put back. Asaytono adds more to the lead. It's a 9-0 lead para sa kupunan ng San Miguel. Magbabalik po kami kung gigising ang Gordons.
For those who appreciate quality, Outlast Battery, winner of international awards for quality.
Hindi pa rin makapagtala ng unang 2 puntos itong Gordon sa kanilang talaan dito sa ating main event at sa araw ng Biyernes.
Meron tayong ano dito that they've only played once before this game dito sa Araneta and they lost that. Gordon's losing to Pure Foods. Ang San Miguel 3-0 dito sa Araneta. They played here 3 times previous to this game and they've won all their games.
Dr. J, nakakapagtaka sapagkat last year ginawang mistulang home court ng Ginebra, no? Itong Araneta Coliseum wherein they won 13 games out of the 17. So napakalaking bagay nun sa kanila.
Pero ang pangalan nila nun, Ginebra.
Ginebra,
Ngayon, Gordon, sa Cuneta na sila ngayon masaya.
Doon sila siga.
Oh.
Noy Locsin Fields, the inbound galing kay Val David. Parang tentative na konti yung Gordon sa atake, Dr. J.
Yeah, and the defense of San Miguel is stifling them. Hindi sila makatira ng magandang tira.
Hindi pa rin. And gang rebounding, Nelson Asaitono. Sabi niya, akin tong rebound na to. Still scoreless on Gordon's. 9-0 dito sa ating 8 minutes and 48 mark of the first quarter. Dr. J, nakakatakot na pangitain siguro to para sa mga fans ng Gordons.
Hindi ko maintindihan. Although they did call an early timeout, which is correct, no? They should call an early timeout. Pero hindi sila nag-substitutions. They don't really have a very good defensive team on the floor. Yan ang problema nila.
And finally, Locsin, nakapagtala. Ayun, yun lang hinahanap, yung buhay naman ng puntos.
Alam mo, talaga minsan, pinakamahirap yung buhay na mano. Di ba kahit na yung mga nagtitinda, nakikiusap ng boss. Kaso lahat naman na pagitan na tinitinda, lahat yung buhay na mano. Kunin nyo na lahat.
Kahit na maubos na, buhay na mano pa rin. No? Samantalang sa buhay na manong puntos ni Locsin, ibaba niya ang lamang to just 7. Asaitono, another 3. Wala. And he has taken 3 3-point shots early on and has missed 2. Pasa, fielded. Pero nakuha ni Baldavid. Baldavid, dilaglag sa kanyang paboritong partner, pero nando si Asaitono for the rebound, or rather for the recovery. Bukas si Racela, inilaglag, tumama sa mukha ni Art de la Cruz. Hindi niya na-expect. He was thinking of going for the offensive rebound.
Alam mo, maganda yung ginawa doon ni Bean Season that he came charging at Olsen Racela, forcing him to give up the ball. Eh medyo hindi na-expect nga, katulad na nabanggit mo ni Art de la Cruz yung pasa. Still a 7-point lead here for San Miguel with 7:38 left dito sa ating first quarter. Isang pump fake ng pump fake na libre.
Yun naman ang kasarapan, Dr. J, ng Gordons. Kapag nakatikim niya ng isang guhit, dire-diretso naman yan.
Well, they are the boars, no? Eh, alam mo naman, that's the kind of animal na pag ginalit mo, ituloy-tuloy na yan.
Sumising-asing yan, eh. Di ba? Nakahabol yan. 7-18, Racela umatake. Wala ang kanyang tirahin. Baldavid, tinalo si Mike Mustre sa rebound. Binigay kay Hison. Hison umatake. Ayan na ang Gordons.
4 straight points para kay Bean Season. 6-0 run. Eh, alam mo, yung San Miguel, they couldn't stand prosperity, no? Ang ganda rin naman yung ratsyada nila. Tapos biglang tumitira ng puro tagilid sa 3-point shot si Asaitono instead of taking better shot selections, no?
Pampagana lang pala yung Dr.
Yan,
J.
katulad niya, that's a better shot selection, driving in the lane.
Lumapit na konti si Art de la Cruz. At si Jaworski who has been into the starting lineups o sa starting lineup ng kupunan ng Gordon since the season started, ay tatawagan ng foul.
Really, a wake-up call yung timeout na tinawag ni Coach Sonny Jaworski early in this quarter, Chino, dahil parang hindi siya natutuwa sa depensa, hindi siya natutuwa sa rebounding nila. Minsan talaga shooting, mahirap yan eh, di ba? Alam mo yan eh, dahil if you're a player, alam mo minsan hindi ka basta-basta as you take a look at Coach Ron Jacobs, medyo, it's not that really ruffled eh. Rin naman si Sonny Jaworski.
Nauuhaw
May
na.
kasamang Powerade, yung produkto nila.
Palagi ko, nauuhaw dahil sa init din ng panahon dito. And Art de la Cruz, ito ang one of the heralded defensive stoppers. Ito si De La Cruz, underrated din as an offensive player, Dr. Jim. Maraming naisusot ito, ha?
Yes, he's not that bad because even in the amateur, medyo scorer yan si Art de la Cruz at the post. Pero he's really one of their best. And I'm almost sure that he'll make the defensive team this year, the way he's playing. No?
Si Dudo thinking 3, pero ngayon, well covered by De La Cruz.
Wala, malambot na naman.
De La Cruz to Asaitono. Asaitono, 3 against 1. Asaitono, nagbali sa ere.
Yeah, alam mo, pag nagte-turnover ka ng ganun, especially at the top of the key, you are susceptible to a fast break attack. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-turnover dyan. Mag-turnover ka sa ilalim ng goal. Medyo matagal yan, makakababa yung mga safety guards mo.
Pero pag sa ibabaw, madali na tumakbo.
Patay ka dyan. Patay ka talaga dyan.
Double team on Locsin. Nilabas kay Dudut. Dudut nasa 3-point line. Dudut is short. Pero nando si Marlo Aquino for the rebound. Labas kay Hison. Hison, the drive. Ibinigay kay Locsin. Locsin bumitin sa ere!
Siya siguro pinakamagaling sumayaw sa ere, no? Pwede tayong gumawa ng contest. Pwede siguro manalo si Noli dahil I think he has the best hang time in the air.
Sobra, Dr. J. To think, this guy weighs close to 240 pounds.
Pero siguro sa kanya, natural weight niya yan. Di ba?
Oo, dahil kung titignan mo si Noli, kaya niyang iangat yung kanyang katawan. Racela is short and Marlo Aquino for the rebound. Umaatake na naman ang Boars. Pero ito mukhang titigilid. Hindi, bumanat si David, Dr. J.
Well,
Kita mo yung pagbabago ng pace ni David doon.
Yes, that's why they are known as the best offensive team. Once they get going, they really get going. And the lead has been cut down to 10 from a high of 9 with 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Hindi kaya bantayan ni Jaworski sa post yan si Art de la Cruz, and he will surely take advantage of that.
Nakita niya na yan, ano? Nakikita rin natin si Dudut Jaworski among all the players na nakikita natin sa loob ng court. Ito lang ang manlalarong hindi nagugusot ang buhok.
Well, katulad ng aking kaibigan si Elias Tolentino nung araw.
Ganun ba yan? Hindi nagugusot yung buhok.
Tanong mo kay Konsyal dati. Well, Elias knows that. He's a real good player, real good offensive player. Hindi nagugusot. Actually, meron isang pumada nung araw na lahat kinakantsawan yun ang ginagamit ni Nano, ni Elias. Pero hindi na natin babakitin yung pumada na yun.
Libreng plug, eh, no? At
Alam niya. Ayaw ko kung meron pa yung pumada na yun.
Alam ko yung pamada yun. Dahil hindi ko na inabot yung pamada, eh. Nung...
Pangalan rin ng isang kabayo.
Kabayo. De la Cruz for the second free throw. Ito na ipasok niya. 14-10 ang ating score ng Gordons matapos matulog kanina sa early going sa first quarter. Down by 4 points.
Well, si Art de la Cruz is a very good free throw shooter. That was one of the few misses that he had, no? Earlier, split charities niya doon.
Dudut against De La Cruz. Yung pasa ni Dudut, hindi na-anticipate, masyadong mababa. Tumama ata sa paa ni Noli Locsin, pero si Noli Locsin claiming na nahawakan ng isang malalaro from San Miguel.
Tingin ko tama yung tawag eh. Hit the foot.
Tumama sa paa.
Even tumama doon sa kamay bago tumama sa paa ni Noli. So last touch rin si Noli ang magiging. It's a bad pass. And
Mike Mustre, wala at nandun sa rebound against si Valdavid. That's his second rebound of the quarter. Bigay kay Dudut. Dudut umatake. Wala ang kanyang tira. Noli Locsin and asay ito. Sarap panoorin ng dagitan sa ibabaw.
yes, very good no boxing out tactics. Dudut Jaworski continues to play despite the roars of the crowd of Gordons, you know, because they feel that it's about time to get somebody into the floor for him.
Mike Mustre bukas. Finger roll. Masyadong malambot yung bitaw sa tira.
Well, hindi na rin makarangkada yung San Miguel, no? Ang dami nilang oportunidad.
Valdavid ibinigay kay Marlo Aquino, and when you're 6'9", ilalabag mo na lang yung bola sa labi ng ring.
At saka si Marlo kahit 6'9", magaling pumam fake yan. You know, he brings the ball up, gets people jumping up, and then he comes in with the layup or the dunk shot.
Dr. J, si Marlo deceptively strong. Ano kung titignan mo yun, parang ang dali itulak, pero yung upper body strength malakas. Ito si Mike Mustre, binigay kay Abuda. Abuda, malakas ang tira. Mustre, titin, and Noli Locsin says, tama na yung rebound nyo.
Si David, tumatakbo na naman.
Valdavid bukas, umatake. Valdavid misses, and Asaytono for the rebound. Nasundutan ni Valdavid. And Valdavid tatawagan ng...
step coming from the outside.
Illegal entry ba yun?
Walang foul yun, he was coming from the outside.
Tinapik niya yan at hindi pa siya nakaka-establish ng position sapagkat paglabas niya kanina, pagtira niya rather, napalabas yung kanyang kamay. Actually, buong katawan niyang lumabas sa guhit sa ilalim. San Miguel up by 2 points after leading by as much as 9 early in the first quarter. They have 8 seconds to shoot. Asaytono. Grabe, Dr. J, yung lundag ni Asaytono yun. Hindi maaabot kahit nino.
That's his favorite shot. But it's really surprising that Gordons do not double team at that area. Diba? Because alam mo naman, pag pinapasok mo sa loob yan, that's his strongest shot.
Pero ang San Miguel naman, every time ibabagsak ang bola kay Marlo, they double. Pabanda ni Vince Season.
Ilan na ginagawa nito? 6 na si Vince Season, no?
Maaga, nagbabaga si Vince Season at siya yung bumuslo kanina, siya yung bumutas doon sa... Ay, si Noli Locsin yung bumutas,
Then
sinundan niya.
4 points after that, you know.
Ito yung matchup na gusto ko kanina papanoorin. Asaytono, inilapag ang bola sa harap ni Noli Locsin.
So, 11 na ginagawa ni Nelson Asaytono. He has had a lot of attempts, pero nagugulat nga ako katulad
Walang
ng
double,
pinapagot. Walang double team. You know, you're really forcing Locsin to have a hard time, and you might even get him into foul. Look at the way they double team on Noli Locsin. Hindi ba double teaming niya?
Pero kahit
nakaka-score siya. Pero yung kay Asaytono, walang kahirap-hirap on the other end.
At si Noli Locsin ipinakita na kahit sino kaya niyang tapatan at kahit yung buong San Miguel kaya niya atang bitbitin.
Ito pa isang post area. Binabalasan nila ng konti yung post play. Ayan na si Marlo tumulong.
Ando si Mike Mustre, and Mike Mustre had enough time, enough airspace para i-shoot yung layup niya.
It was a 5-on-4 situation dahil pagod na si Noli Locsin and was still lingering in the backcourt a little bit. Hison is gonna be fouled by Mustre in that play. Ang energy ni Vince Hison,
Mataas.
punong-puno, no?
Maganda. Ito, Dr. J, oh. Tignan mo yung gagawin ni Noli Locsin. Isang fake, 3, 4, 2
Connect to
sumama.
Sampa.
Tanging si Noli Locsin lang ang nakakagawa dyan.
Time out for San Miguel Beer. Get your hands in the air and switch on time with Fila, the official outfitter of the PBA. Fila, shakes again.
Abet.
Green Cross Rubbing Alcohol, the official rubbing alcohol of the PBA. Partner natin sa kalusugan.
Dr. J, nakikita mo si Samboy Lim at ako meron akong isang trivia. Si Samboy Lim, maniwala kayo't hindi, yan ang idol ni Noli Locsin. Kaya si Noli Locsin ganun tumira. Di ba yung mga bitin-bitin ni Samboy?
Hanging in the air.
Oo, yan ang pinagpapaternan yata ni Noli ng kanyang laro, si Samboy. Although we won't see Samboy in action, he's still injured.
We have almost a platoon substitution as you take a look at Paul Alvarez.
Binibigay pa ng chiclet,
Oo
no?
nga.
Tamang player, eh.
Si Art de la Cruz lamang ang naiwan sa original starting 5 unit ng San Miguel. So you can see Jacobs knows this game is not going to be won in the first and second quarter. He's got to pace his players.
Baldavid, losing his footing doon. Tinamaan siya ni Alan Kaidik. Yung scrambling defense, Dr. J, ng San Miguel, napapansin natin, every time hawak ng bola sa ilalim, double team. Alan misses his first shot. Last touch kay Marlo Aquino, and Dong Pulistico silently pumasok sa ball game. Yung sinabi mong substitution kanina, Dr. J, bago matapos ito.
Almost platoon nga eh. Si Maron, si Alan Kaidik at saka si Ives Dignatice to help out Art de la Cruz.
Alam natin si Naron, ipinasok upang ipahinga ng konti si Olsen Racela, at habang nakuha ni Dong Pulistico ang bola, he is fouled by Vince Hison, his third personal foul, Dr. J.
And that spells trouble because Hison certainly is one of their better players and they need him in the game. Eh, dapat ito binigay na niya. Pero still, maybe it might be a good foul if you ask Pulistico to shoot 2 and make 2 free throws. Now, Pulistico out for almost a big part of this season.
At least the first 8 games, Dr. J, ng San Miguel, wala siya.
Oo, mga 5-6 na laro pa lamang yan. Tapos medyo in between, nawawala pa rin ulit, no?
Dahil yung recovery niya doon sa kanyang operation, na actually arthroscopy yung ginawa sa kanya, hindi po binuksan yon, pero may yung operation na may 2 needle na ipinapasok sa kanyang tuhod, yun ang ginawa kay Pulistico during the off-season.
Arthroscopic surgery.
JB Gayoso, ipinasa ang bola, kapapasok lamang ni Gayoso sa loob, siya ang kapalit actually ni Vince Hison was in foul trouble. Bukas na bukas, oh. Pero ando si Baldavid to provide defense. Pero Dr. J, mabagal yata yung reaction ng Gordon sa depensa nila.
Hindi nila alam kung sinong babantay kanino. Kasi ang nangyari, nag-platoon substitution except one. Tapos sabay pumasok ito si Gayoso rito. Eh yun dapat ang tao niya. Eh pagbaba niya, nakatalikod siya, nandun na si Alan Kaidik. Hinahanap ngayon niya. Di obligadong tumulong ngayon yung mga iba. Nahuli na sila.
Samantalang si Alan Kaidik, rare miss din yan na Dr. J. Alam natin si Alan Kaidik sa for all his career, is more than an 80% free throw shooter, but he missed his first free
And not
throw.
only that, I think together at the time with Joey Loizaga, then it was Alan Kaidik who set the most consecutive number of free throws converted, no?
70,
For a while, no?
78. Mamaya,
Something
checkin
like
natin yung number, ha? Ito, bibigay na nila kay Noli Locsin, up by 5, San Miguel Beer.
Wide open, 3-point shot.
Is open.
They're gonna give him that shot. Sasabihin ni Jacob, sige, tumira ka ng tumira dyan hanggang gusto mo.
Dr. J, ito si Noli Locsin. And what power behind those legs. Si Noli Locsin, ewan ko kung anong klaseng jeta nito. Ito kailangan maituro sa mga anak-anak nyo sapagkat ito lang ang tanging player na mag-miss. Kukunin ng rebound niya, ititira niya, mimintis uli, at makukuha na naman niya yung rebound niya, ititira niya. At tanging si Noli Locsin lang ang nakakagawa niyan.
Finally, we have Jaworski being taken out. Michael Orquillas, who had been in the injury list for quite a while, now came in to replace him. Now, si Locsin, tatanong rin natin kung anong pinakakain sa kanya nung bata siya.
Oo, dahil hindi ko alam kung anong jeta sa Bacolod. Siguro yung Bacolod chicken, masarap yun.
Oo. Ha? Ikaw naman. Alam naman natin.
Palagay ko yun ang dieta nito, no? Dahil iba yung manok na yun. Sabi ko nga, ano ba yung manok nyo rito? Manok Tagalog, hindi. Manok Bacolod yan. Nga pala, Tagalog nga pala dito yung manok na yun.
Penalty situation ng San Miguel. The Gordon's Gin team has still one foul to give.
Binigyan ng pick ni Polistico si Alan pero hindi nagamit. Naagawan ni Orquillas, and Orquillas fresh in the ball game. Umatake. This is short, and De La Cruz for the rebound. Orquillas asking for the foul. Si Orquillas kapapasok lamang sa ball game. Siyang ipinasok Dr. J actually for Maki De Hoya na inoperahan sa paa.
Well, he's not gonna get the respect yet, you know. So, in a body-body contact in the air, hindi magkakaroon ng tawag. Kung hinampas yun, tatawag.
Hindi ata alam ni Naron na meron lamang silang 3 seconds sa kanila shot clock.
Wala na, hindi siya inabot.
And yung point guard, malaking bubu. At sa pagtatapos ng ating first 12 minutes, ang San Miguel dalawa lang ang abante kontra sa Gordons.
A legend on its own. Paddock, the official jeans of the PDA.
Pagpapasimula na po ang ating second quarter. Narinig nyo ang ating buzzer at sa puntong ito, nais kong batiin yung ating mga siklista ng Marlboro Tour. Ngayon, nagpapahinga itong mga ito, Dr. J. At bukas, alam ko, baka nasa barko na nga itong mga ito kung nakakapanood sila ng TV kung yung barko nila may satellite. Karamihan na sa mga siklista natin Gordon's Gin fans, Dr. J.
Well, they've got about 70-80%. Nice move there by Gayoso to get himself free for the jump shot. Saka isang segundo na lamang sa shot clock nung binitawan niya yung tira na yun to tie the ball game.
Maganda, Dr. J, kung gano'n ang gagawin ni Gayoso, no, once na ilalabas si Hison at makakapag-provide siya ng puntos na gano'n.
But he is very capable. He's a shooter. Just like Alan Caidic is a shooter.
2 minus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Pareho, so na-cancel yung pukul na yung kanina ni JV Gayoso. 23-21, San Miguel Beer still in the lead. Valdavid, nilaro yung buong first quarter. Bukas si Gayoso, ang ganda ng ikot ng bola. Marlo Aquino dumukot sa ilalim. And Marlo Aquino, the center with the move of a, sabi natin doon, yung parang small forward, no?
Yeah, definitely. Reverse layup yun. Very quick ang kanyang basketball sense to realize that he had no direct layup, no? That he had to go backdoor.
Si Marlo Aquino emerging to be the top draw dito sa Gordon, ang pinakamalakas sentro, at samantala si Alan Caidic, he does that so well, Dr. J. Paangatin ka. Iba talaga yung tempo ni Alan Caidic, going to the basket.
Well, nasa sa'yo na yan. You make the decision. If you don't want to bite into the fake, you just put your hands up. You will never. Kung ididisiplina mo sarili mo na hindi ako kakagat sa fake niya, talunin na niya ako by shooting over my hands. No?
Wag lang akong kumagat sa fake
And
niya.
I won't foul him either, no? Because he's a good free throw shooter, although he missed 2 kanina.
Alan Caidic, inintay ang pasa, wala. Rebound, lumulundag. At si Valdavid again for the rebound. Valdavid showing us his rebounding prowess, his 5th defensive. Ang pasa niya sa ilalim na antala. Mike Orquillas na late ng konti sa pagkuha ng bola.
Medyo natapik rin ng isang defensive player ng San Miguel, no? And you can see consistently nag-iikot ng player si Ron Jacobs, while sa kabila naman tipid na tipid ang pagpapalit ng player, no?
Valdavid, tumama ang bola, tatawagan siya ng traveling, nadikit sa balakang ni Art De La Cruz ang bola, and a 3-man substitution para sa kupunan ng San Miguel. Similar to what they did kanina sa pagtatapos ng ating first quarter.
Well, you know, the players are in good condition. You give them 3-4 minutes rest, they're gonna perform very well. Meanwhile, Pido Orencio returns back to active duty after a long while.
Halos 6 games yung kanyang inupo, Dr. J.
And they had to put him on the injury list. Sayang naman. And we have a pushing foul there called on Pido Orencio.
Napapasok lamang sa ball game. Pido Orencio missed a total of 6 games. Tama, Dr. J. Sapagkat 14 games nilaro ng kupunan ng Gordon, 8 lamang ang nailaro ni Pido.
Kakasigawan dito kay Barela, tiki-taki tawag yun. I mean,
Alan Caidic, binigay kay Abuda. Abuda traveling yun.
Kitang-kita. Sayang yun. He had the jump shot and he should take it because he has been making those kind of shots.
At ang substitution pattern ng San Miguel dito, inuulit namin, 3 sa 3. Ipinapahinga ng sandali yung starters, ibabalik muli ang starters, at ngayon nasa loob muli ang kanilang starting unit. Except for Alan Caidic. Bukas si Orquillas, kaliwang kamay na tira, wala. Nakalimutan natin, nakaliwete nga pala si
Yeah.
Orquillas,
And
once
he-
a member of the national team, Doc.
Very good jump shooter, pero tinitignan ko kanina sa round robin, he couldn't make a shot. You know, he's not been active for quite a while. I'm sure he's going to be very nervous, very hard for him to take those jump shots at this stage. I'm even surprised he was using this ball game.
Magandang pag-break in yan ni Big J sa kanya, Doc. Ito si Asaytono, thinking 3. That's his 4th try, pamula dyan sa area na yan. Isa lang ang kanyang naipapasok.
Hingi ni Marlo yung bola sa post, and that's going to be very trouble.
Alam mo
Para
na.
kay Nelson Asaytono.
Kita mo na, Dr. J, na darating,
Trouble.
Yan ang problema ng San Miguel Beer. They don't have, other than Dong Polistico, a big guy na pwedeng tumapat kay Marlo Aquino.
Yeah.
Bumitaw sa kabila, Orquillas for the rebound. Ito ang Gordons, nakakaamoy ng dugo. They're up by 2 points. They go to Marlo, ibinigay kay Orquillas.
Oh,
Orquillas, ang tira sa ilalim, wala.
Sabi sa'yo, nervous niya, hindi kakayanin pa eh. Yan ang problema. He's a good player, but he has not played for quite a while, and you don't have the confidence to play.
Bukas si Mike Mustre, supalpal ka! Binura ni Marlo ang kanyang tira, Inoli Locsin, tinapik. Ando si Mike Mustre, ayaw niya ng tumira, binigay niya kay Asaytono.
3 seconds.
And that's what Marlo Aquino does. Ito, Dr. J, tignan natin yung rotation ng bola ng Gordons. Ilalaglag nila kay Marlo. Marlo curling. At paano maabutin yung skyhook na ganun halos?
Well, it's a cut from the weak side. Ang importante diyan for Asaytono was to make sure he did not get into the cut. Kaso hindi siya nakatingin sa saan yung kanyang dinipensa. Nakadating si Marlo doon. There was no way he could stop him nung natanggap yung bola.
Si Orquillas missed an early layup, an open layup at that. Ginagamit ang screen ni Marlo. Umatake siya, wala pa rin. Ano na. Unti-unti niya na nakukuha. But that's his 3rd miss of the ball game. Mike Mustre tatawagan ng offensive foul against Pidoja Renzo na nakapag-establish ng posisyon ng umatake si Mike Mustre.
Saka alam mo ito, tignan mo ang gagawin niya. Look at the eyes of Mike Mustre. If you can look at the eyes of Mike Mustre, you're gonna see in the slow-mo that what happened here was he's gonna let go of the ball. Ayaw na niya, he's looking far away. He's not looking at the goal. He's very worried of the player under him, and that's the problem. No? Kaya nga ang take-off niya at saka ang bitaw niya malayo eh.
Sa lingwahe sa kanto, tirang takot.
Oh, tirang takot. Isa pa, sabi ni Ortiz,
Ayaw talaga!
I'm really surprised. I told you. I mean, I know the guy, he can play. But what a place to put him under this type of pressure, and Alan kills him with a 3-point shot.
You miss 4 offensive thrusts at pagbalik, binanata ni Alan Kaidik ng 3-point shot and Sonny Jaworski. Tingnan mo naman yung siya sabi ni Jaworski. Kung makita
Huminga
mo
ka naman.
huminga ka. Dahil nakikita natin yung tawag natin doon, yung butas ng ilong
Wala,
ni Michael
kita
Quillas.
mo,
Ang
ngayon
lalaki
parang
na eh.
ayaw na nga niya maglaro. Gusto na niya tumitingin na nga sa bench, Pero he's gonna have to try, Pero I'm really surprised, that
Pa-settle down lang. Pero believe ka rin kay Sonny Jaworski, Dr. J, itataya niya na yung player niyang yun at baka may mapipiga siya. Meron, pero iba rin yung nervous ng bata.
magaling talaga nung araw yan, Pero matagal na nga nakaupo yan, kaya hindi na talaga nag-blossom. Hindi yan katulad dito, mga kumpiyansadong player. Pag sumaksak, alam ang gagawin nila, alam saan yung banda.
Saka si JB Gayoso, unafraid to take those shots, Dr. J. Lamang ng isa ang Gordons kontra sa San Miguel Beer. Asaytono. Tumira na naman ng 3 points. Aba, ito wala. Pero merong foul kay Wilmer Ong. Then that will be 3 free throw shots para kay Asaytono, Doc.
Ong is the only player that guards Asaytono that far out among the big players dahil syempre may mobility rin ito dahil kahit 6'5 siya, But that's a very, very poor foul. Nung binitawan na ni Asaytono ang bola, doon niya binangga. And that's like gifting that player. Kung pumasok pa ngayon, magiging 4-point play pa yun,
Nelson Asaytono, the league's leading scorer with the 29.5 average.
Mas mataas pa yan kay Michael Jordan. Because Jordan has come down. Yung kanyang steady at 32 point something. The last few games, puro 16, 18 na lang ginagawa. Bumaba na sa 28 yata.
Kahapon, pinatay siya ng Miami. Sabagay, malas din yung bitaw ni Jordan kahapon. Ito naman ang answer ng PBA kay Michael Jordan. Bull nga ang tawag sa kanya. Di ba yung team ni Michael Jordan, Bulls?
Yeah.
Si Nelson Asaytono naglalaro ng 41 minutes per ball game. At tinitignan natin yung kanyang mga other contributions, 8 rebounds at saka 3 assists para kay The Bull dito sa ating conference na ito.
3 free throws made by Asaytono. San Miguel takes a 2-point lead. 6:35 left dito sa ating second quarter.
Dr. J, pace ito ng San Miguel, ano? Yung kontrolado.
Yeah, the scoring was pretty high in the beginning. And it can still be high. You can still go to the 45 to 48 mark by halftime for one of the teams.
Si Mike Orquillas now being lifted at
Swerte siya sa Hinebra siya, sa Gordon siya naglalaro. Sa iba, lahat ng kantsa abutin niya.
Oo.
No? Ang dami niyang layup, ang dami niyang pagkakataon. But the boy will learn. He's not that bad a player, believe me.
he's on kay Harenso. Harenso pumukol. He's back! And that's a 3-point basket galing kay Pido Harenso.
All of a sudden, we have Gordon's taking a 1-point lead. You know, the power of the 3-point shot, no, Chino?
At paborito yan, Dr. J, ng Gordons.
Yan ang kanilang power.
One of their main weapons. In fact, they're the leading 3-point shooting team yata dito sa liga natin.
Balik na naman si Ong kay Nelson Asaytono sa labas. Titira na naman siya sa labas ni Nelson, pero tama, gandang top in.
Dr. J, yung Art de la Cruz, kung scrappy at scrappy lamang ang pag-uusapan. Sobrang sipag nitong si Art de la Cruz para sa mga tip-in na yun.
And a very tough player, Art de la Cruz is. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Post-up play para kay Aquino. Nako.
Ilista mo na to.
Uy, overshot that mark. Pero na-fake na nga niya si Pulistico katulad yung nababanggit natin, no?
Asaytono nakalusot. Ang kanyang layup against Wilmer Ong. Kahit napalo na ng konti ni Wilmer Ong, yung power ng Nelson Asaytono just too much. 14 points in the ball game para kay Asaytono. 16, make that 16, Dr. J.
Pick and roll play here.
Harenso thinking 3. He had one earlier. They go to Aquino. Aquino beats the double team and fishes for the foul. Nakuha niyang foul, Kidong Pulistico.
Foul number 10, Dong Pulistico.
Ikalawang personal foul. Ito si Marlo Aquino. Dok, alam na rin yan, dumarating yung double. Nag-curl na agad siya, no?
Yes.
Ay, we have a timeout. Magbabalik po kami.
It's slingshot time with Fila, the official outfitter of the PBA. Fila.
Club Roman Traditional Fit. Club Roman Jeans and Shirts. Club Roman.
Miss free throw yun, no? Partner by Marlo Aquino coming off that timeout. Split charities.
Second free throw para kay Marlo. At ang lamang ng San Miguel natapyas to just 2 points. 5 minutes to go dito sa ating second quarter. Alan Kaidik is fouled and he will also take 3 free throw shots.
Well, yun ang another bad foul. But meanwhile, let's take a look at a nice play here for the Gordons Gin in this quarter. First of all, you're going to see a pass by Harencio to Marlo Aquino at the post. They're going to expect the double team to come from Alan Kaidik. Let's run this play. Makikita mo, and then you're going to see JB Gayoso is going to cut, and they're going to move the right ball to Bin Season. Magandang spacing, magandang movement. Nakaposition si Pido Harencio for a nice jump shot. So certainly, magandang ginagawa na spacing ang ball movement and player movement ng Gordons in beating the double team against Marlo Aquino at the post.
At doon mo makikita, Dr. J, ang lakas talaga ng Gordon. So they're, in fact, the league's leading offensive team, gaya ng sinabi natin, with an average of 94.8 points per ball game. At sa 3-point shooting, Dr. J, nasabi natin kanina, number 1, yes, they are the number 1 3-point shooting team with a 35.2% from that area. Samantala si Alan Kaidik, ipinasok yung kanyang 2 sa 3 free throw shots.
Well, Terry Saldana finally coming in to replace Marlo Aquino, who needs some rest with 4 minutes and 48. Pido Harencio from long range. We're going to have a jump ball between Wilmer Ong and Nelson Asaytono.
Si Noli Locsin, Dr. J, hindi na ibinalik muna ni Coach Sunny Jaworski. Mukhang ipapahinga siya. Irireserba siya para sa second half. Nakita natin kanina, although magandang laro niya, tumutukod siya sa pagod.
Maybe sa second half or maybe the last 2 minutes unless San Miguel pulls away earlier. Right now, it's still a manageable 4-point lead. Hindi ka pa magpapanik kung nasa bench ka ng Gordon's Gin, no, at this stage.
Pinapik Pinag-aagawan, Olsen Racela iniwan si Harensyong nakahiga. Racela met by Vince Season. Racela binigay kay Asaytono. Asaytono thinking 3. Pero bibigyan niya kay Art de la Cruz. Smaller guy sa depensa. Tumama naman sa paa ni Pido Harencio. Makikita mo, Doc, na talaga si Pido Harencio mahaba ang layoff. At saka mukhang may problema pa siya sa likod niya. He hardly bent down o bent over para kunin yung bolang yon
to pick up that ball. Meanwhile, sabi mo nga, si Baldavid, si Noli Locsin, si Marlo Aquino nagpapahinga. But, Gordon's has got to hold down the fort on defense here, no?
Up fake, Alan Kaidik, ginamit ang banda, wala, tinapik na yung bola, nakuha ni Wilmer Ong.
Their defense held very well in that play, no? Maganda pagka-depensa ni Gayoso against Kaidik without fouling him.
Gayoso against Alan Kaidik, binigyan ng isolation. Gayoso crossover move. Gayoso tumira, pabanda, wala, rebound kinuha ni Alan Kaidik.
Terry Saldana seems to have lost his timing. And that's an easy shot. Yan ang mabigat na because hindi na 4 yung lamang, 6 na yung lamang habang nagpapahinga yung mga key players mo. If they cannot hold, this team cannot hold, they're forced to bring back those players onto the floor.
That's the 7-point for Art de la Cruz and the 6-point lead para sa San Miguel, 37-31. Ang oras 3 minutes and 38, this is the second quarter. Earlier, tinalo po ng kupunan ng Pure Foods sa last second shot ni Dindo Pumare ng kupunan ng Santa Lucia.
Atake ng atake, tama yung ginagawa nila against the guy that Kaidik is defending. Problema lang, hindi pumapasok yung layup ni Gayoso.
Terry Saldana, binapatay. Maigi si Asaytono. At yung eskwala nung tira ni Asaytono yun, kumbaga sa bilyar, parang dubleto yung Dr. G. Ang hirap nun, ha?
Pero masterpiece rin niya yung mga ganyan. Yung 4 na lamang, bigang 8 na ngayon. At palaki ng palaki kung hindi kasi wala masyadong offensive threat ngayon yung mga players on the floor para sa Gordon.
3.5 minutes, walang na-score. Ito, madadagdagan pa sapagkat tumatakbo na naman ang San Miguel Beer. Binigay kay Alan Kaidik. Open layup para kay Alan Kaidik. It's a 10-point lead para sa San Miguel Beer.
Well, they have a very funny lineup on the floor. They don't have a center and they don't have big players. At the same time, they don't seem to have a lot of scoring threats. No?
Although nandyan si Gayoso, si Hison at saka si Harencio, wala Dr. J na opensa,
kasi kung wala kang post play, bali wala yung tatlo sa taas, dahil didikitan lang na didikitan, they will never double team against those on top.
Ayan, sa wakas, si Vince Season, nag-isip na siya na yung aatake, and he scores his 7-point or his 8-point of the ball game.
Hison continues to be the bright spot for this team in this ball game. Although 3 personal fouls na siya, and he has that problem having to guard Alan who misses this 3-point attempt.
And Wilmer Ong secures the leader. 2 minutes dito sa ating second quarter. Harencio na, bitawan ng bola. Terry Saldana, muntik nang di makahabol sa bola. But he recovers in time. Gayoso thinking 3, wala. Rebound to De La Cruz. Ano kaya ito? Pababayaan na lang ni Coach Sonny Jaworski at nakaupo si Noli Locsin ready to come in at the next dead ball. Asaytono against Saldana. Asaytono hindi nakuha ang tira and Saldana secures the leader. Ibinigay kay Hison. Hison inatake si Asaytono.
That would have been a bad pass kundi si Hison ang receiver. Kumbaga sa ano yun, masamang pasa yun kundi si Jerry Rice ang tatanggap. That was almost an impossible catch and he caught it and had to shoot it
against Asaytono. Pakita sa iyo, Dr. J, kung ano nang iginaling itong si Vince Season dito sa Gordon.
Saka makumpiyansa na.
At saka kita mo, dumidepensa and with his 3 fouls, hindi siya nagpapakita ng takot.
Time out for San Miguel here. Noli Locsin for JB Gayoso. Mike Booster for Alan Kaidik.
Sakit ng katawan? Time for Alaxan. Also for rheumatism and arthritis. Even for toothaches.
9 seconds sa shot clock ng San Miguel as we resume play with 1 minute and 18 seconds left sa first half.
And that's not plenty of time to really set up. They've got to go at it already at this stage.
Hindi ko alam yata, Dr. J, kung alam niya sa ito niyan. Ayun, no, masyadong matagal.
Isa pang segundo, counted na yun. Lusot na siya kay Terry Saldana pero inabot siya ng 24-second violation, no, Chino?
Hindi yata nakikinig si Nelson sa ito na sabihing 9 seconds on the shot clock. Naubos, no?
Alam mo nangyari, Chino, yung hawak ni Racela, umabot ng 5. Tumagal, 4 more seconds pa bago na pinasahan si Nelson Asaytono. Terry Saldana, patapa-tapa na lang na sarili doon.
Iniwan ni Art de la Cruz.
He doesn't have an advantage over Art de la Cruz.
Wala sa rebound. And si Terry Saldana has lost step. And Art de la Cruz is
Wala
down.
na.
Tinamaan yung kanyang kanang tuhod.
Oh,
And they want an injury timeout. Tinamaan yung kanyang kanang tuhod. No? Nagkabanggaan sila ng Terry Saldana. Terry Saldana sinugod yung kanyang actually calf muscle ito na masakit. Buti na lang hindi tuhod dahil hinahawakan niya yung calf muscle niya. And they want an injury timeout, Doc.
Itong hindi pwedeng mawala para sa San Miguel. They need this guy very badly. You know, the minutes he has played, very productive para sa kanyang kupunan.
Okay, hinihingi, sinecheck ni Ron Jacobs ang kanyang lineup and quickly, alam niyang hindi niya pwedeng i-afford ang isang timeout at this point. So papalitan ni Gilbert Castillo si Art de la Cruz who is still down. Oh, pinapalitan na ni Ron Jacobs si Art de la Cruz just in time. No, meron tayong 46.7 seconds left. Ang San Miguel with a 6-point lead kontra sa Gordon's Gin.
Well, malamig na malamig ito si Gilbert Castillo. Itong tinatawag na pinasok dahil necessity, no? Of necessity
Out
due
of
to an
necessity,
injury.
oh.
Kundi, there is no intention of using him at this stage. Maybe later on, pwede. But you can never tell. He can deliver. 19 seconds left on the shot clock for the Beer Men.
Pero pagka player ka, dapat
Always
ka
ready.
palagi.
Always, para kang Boy Scout, Cub Scout. Kung ano ka.
Laging handa. 9 seconds to shoot. Abuda umatake, binigay kay Mustre. Mustre bukas na bukas sa gilid. Wala, rebound kinuha ni Terry Saldana. Pinukul kay Hison.
Gusto niyang pasahan si Hison.
Paborito, mukhang yun ang pinapractice nila. At saka ang laking bagay, pag si
Sa
Hison
outlet.
tumira ng 3-point.
Oh, malaking basket yun. One shot ang hinihingi ni Ron Jacobs. Tama yan. Dahil the shot clock is off. Go for one shot. Pero Ginebra has a couple of fouls to give. They have one foul to give before they get into penalty.
Look, iba yung nilalaro rin ng Gordon. Sa matapos mong ibaon ng 10, tatlo lang ang iaabante mo sa kanila. Papunta sa dugout.
Oh.
Asaytono losing the handle. Pinilit yung tira. And Asaytono, itinuloy ang kanyang pagiging top scorer of the league.
May foul doon. Hindi binigay ni
Binigay,
Saldana.
oh.
Ilalabas lang ang bola. They're not aware of the situation.
Si Asaytono with 20 points, 5 rebounds, 1 steal dito sa first half natin. At ginigyan niya ang San Miguel ng 5-point lead as we head to the halftime break sa atin pong Adidas halftime report. An old friend, makikita natin at ang South Border, isang kilalang banda live.
Our contestant shooting.
May delay pa, Doc. Sa ating pong half, magsisimula ang ating third quarter, lamang San Miguel ng 5 puntos. Chino Trinidad po, kasama si Dr. Jet. Dr. J, dito sa laban na ito, merong isang malamang maging problema ang San Miguel and that has to do with Marlo Aquino.
Yes, they've got to be able to stop him. Take a look at this play. Now, they were trying a pick and roll play here from between Marlo Aquino and Pido Herencio. Maganda naman ang depensa ni Rolit. Maganda ang depensa ni Racela, so he forces Herencio to pass out. Now, what happens here? Good defense all the way. All of a sudden, you're gonna see Marlo cut into the lane. Ito si Nelson Asaytono nakatingin sa bola, hindi nakatingin sa tao, bigla nakapasok. Maganda ang bigay na pasa. Nobody to stop him. And when he rolls, wala na makakontest. You know, Alan is not going to be able to block that shot of Marlo Aquino. So they've got to hold on to that defense a little bit longer and stronger.
Okay, titignan natin ang ating mga numbers, ating halftime summary. Kung makikita natin ang rebounding story, San Miguel, despite having a shorter lineup with the 4 rebound advantage, bibigyan ng extra 2 minutes no, to warm up yung
Dalawang
magkabilang kupunan. No? Dr. J, gamitin natin ito para silipin muli. No? Assist, Gordon 10 laban sa 6 lamang ng San Miguel. Doc?
Yes, and 24 rebounds for San Miguel. Like you said, that's surprising. Ang field goal percentage, actually, Gino, mas mataas ang Gordons. Ang problema nila was San Miguel was given 14 free throws, making 9, while Gordons was only given 3 free throws, making 2. Alam natin, 2 beses na nabigyan ng San Miguel na 3 free throws because of a foul from the 3-point territory.
Ito yung, marunong mo mag-golf yung dalawang yan? Sabi ni Martin, he played golf like a farmer daw kanina. Marami daw hinukay.
Hindi, maingay maglaro yan.
Pwede ba sa golf yun?
Tsaka yung hindi, kami nga ni Ed, nagalit sa kanya nung isang araw. Amin yan, ayun. Nagalit kami ni Ed Pixon dyan nung isang araw, tsaka ni Anthony, dahil kasabay namin sila parang opposite direction. Hanggang naglalaro na kami, pumapalo na kami, nasa telepono pa rin, sumisigaw po sa telepono.
Magbe-break out kami sandali. Si Ariel Rivera, hawak na yung NBA. Sign natin. Magbabalik po kami with the third quarter. Simula ng third quarter at kanina pag sisimula nito, yung mga tao nag-uungulan sapagkat nasa loob si Coach Sonny Jaworski at traveling ang itatawag kay Noli Locsin as we start off the third quarter, Dr. J.
Well, very tough defense in the interior by San Miguel against Noli Locsin's pivoting moves, no? Katulad nga ng sabi, this is a very pivotal, I think, quarter for the Gordon's Gin because usually dito talaga sila bumubuhos, and this is where we've seen in the past na nakakabalik sila from big deficits, although they're only down by 5 at this stage.
Ito yung matchup ng dalawang power forward. Nelson Saitonas, 5 seconds to shoot.
Naubos na oras.
Sinukit yung bola, and this is a turnover. Binigay kay Hison from Valdavid. At Hison stops one in.
Alam mo, mali rin si Nelson. Masyado niyang inagaw yung eksena in that last play instead of trying to swing the ball to his teammates. Pagtapik, bigla. Sabi siya, pag na-intercept yung bola in that area,
Delikado talaga. No?
aabutan ka talaga ng fast break.
Ikot ng bola ang San Miguel si Mike Mustre. They have 9 seconds to shoot. Mustre, floater, wala. At ito na ang Gordon. Sabi mo, Dr. J, third quarter ang paboritong quarter nito. Marlo Aquino. Bukas si Valdavid. Lumapit ng konti. Ang kanyang palobong tira, masyadong mahina. Nasungkit ng konti ni Racela. Ang referees let it go.
Palakang jump shot ang tawag ko din.
Nakabuka ka eh. No?
Yep. Isolation play. Natamaan sa panga si Art de la Cruz. Pero hindi not-stop because wala nga pito. Tama yung ginawa niya. Why stop? Nice
Up
move.
and under move. Bagsak si Mike Mustre. At ang bola mananatili sa panig ng Gordon's Gin. Or rather ng San Miguel Beer. Ito, si Hison coming in for the stuff.
One of the real good flyers right now in the league, no, for the big guard position, Vince Hison.
Itong si Hison, ipinapakita niya, more than the looks, he can play the game. De La Cruz, tumira, wala, and Hison again for the rebound. Nakatingin na agad siya sa unahan. Aatake ang kanyang kupunan, binigay kay Valdavid sa gilid. Wala silang tira. David, bibigay kay Marlo Aquino. Marlo Aquino, sayang, pero andun si Noli Locsin. Ginamit yung kanyang katawan bilang panangga sa kumukontra sa kanya sa rebound.
Well, alam mo naman, talon ng talon si Noli Locsin. Habang hindi nakaka-shoot pa yung kanyang kapakampi or sarili niya, hindi siya tumitigil tumalon. And all of a sudden, the lead is down to only 1, 43-42. Tough defense here by the white shirts.
Lalo na yung Jaworski, yung senior. Kanina, dinaanan lang ni Art de la Cruz yung batang Jaworski, pero yung matandang Jaworski, pinahihirapan siya, naka-rebound pa.
He's one of the better defensive guards we've ever had in the league. Alam ni Glenn McDonald yan. Tanong mo sa kanya. Bibigyan kanya ng thesis kung anong ginagawa sa kanya ni Jowo noong araw.
Marami ba? Ang pasa sa ilalim na antala sapagkat nandoon ang kamay ni Freddy Abuda.
Well,
Noli Locsin, babagal. Parang
he looks tired.
Oh.
He looks winded.
Mike Mustre bukas, umatake. Ang kanyang tirang takot, inulit na naman niya.
Yeah.
Nakita niya si Noli, nandun eh.
Alalay ng alalay yung kanyang. Whoa.
And Jaworski brings the house down.
Ayun, meron pa yung mapman. Tinutulungan pa si Noli Locsin. Yung kaibigan ko yan. I've known him for 15, 20 years. Hanggang ngayon, mabait pa rin yan.
Andito pa rin siya, no? Talagang
faithful.
naging bahagi na siya nitong Araneta Coliseum. Mamaya makikita natin yan. Olsen Racela. Binawi ng konti. Yung what a difference no, Sonny Jaworski makes inside the court, Dr. J.
Yeah, he's pressed. And he's a good defensive player. Yan ang problema ng team niya pag yung unang lineup nila, kulang sila sa defensive player. Si Sonny magaling sa help and recover rin yan. Tsaka, wala rin mismatch kay Sonny dahil matapang yan.
Matapang. At saka kahit sino, lalabanan niya sa poste. And Sonny Jaworski, ewan ko kung ano, ito magbibigay sa atin ng thesis kung papaano to defy Father Time. Eto, si Vince Hison na naman. Ang Gordons pa-atake na naman. Lamang sila ng isa, 46-45.
But you have to credit the red shirts. They came back very fast in that transition defense.
Jaworski to Locsin. Merong double team. Dumukot si Locsin. Ang kanyang dukot. Something that he has mastered dito sa ligang to yung dukot. But concern natin si Noli Locsin parang
Pushing
merong
himself.
tukod din eh. Tukod, Dr. J.
Yeah, this is now their 15th game. Iba yan, in the first 5-6 games, wala talaga, you're in such a good condition that you can keep on running the whole day. But right now, he also has to play defense on the other end against Nelson Aceitono. Hindi lang opensa ang kailangan gawin niya, no?
Kaya pansinin niyo si Noli Locsin. He has 11, 5 rebounds. Pumasok yung kanyang unang free throw. Ito something na sinasabi natin palagi na something that he has to improve.
And he has improved. It's just like Art de la Cruz. You know, Art de la Cruz used to be a very, very poor free throw shooter, but he improved in the PBA. So much so, I think in this conference, he has only missed 2 free throws over 20 attempts that he has had. So nasa sayo yan eh, you know. You're wanting to improve because they can shoot from the outside. So obviously, kaya nila mag-shoot from the 15-foot line without a guard.
Dahil wala pang bayo. Tama, Dr. Z. Walang pantayan, kaya nga free shot yan.
Nice pick and roll play here.
Ang San Miguel using the shot clock to their advantage. Hindi yan tumitira ng maaga. Earlier than 8 seconds. Palaging nauubos halos. Asay Tono thinking 3. Rebound to Jaworski.
Position play again. Outlet pass to Noli Locsin.
Noli Locsin binangga si Asay Tono and he will be called for the charge. Maganda yung bato ni Coach Sonny Jaworski and si Jaworski hindi mo akalain 50 anyos mahigit na.
Hindi talaga.
Hindi ba halata? Ito, samantala, ang field goal natin early on, San Miguel missing 7 shots.
Yeah, they're only 12% from the field, while Gordon's is over 50% so far in this quarter, and that's why they've made that comeback and even taken the lead, but we have a loose ball foul on Locsin, number 6.
Pangalawa ni Noli Locsin ito. Ang meron lamang concern dito sa foul trouble ay si Vince Season is carrying 3 personal fouls.
And that happened in the first quarter, but he was still
Inalayan
able
niya
to play in the second and medyo alalay.
Asay Tono short on this shot and Sonny Jaworski actively fighting for that rebound. He gets the break sapagkat last touch si De La Cruz.
Yeah, and he got good positioning on that rebound play. So it was De La Cruz who had to come from behind and tap it out. Meanwhile, pinasisenyas ng play ni Coach Jaworski kay Baldavid. Post play.
Naagaw naman.
Huli.
Nabasa ni Asay Tono. Basang-basa yun.
You've got to give a big, nice pass there or a bounce pass. You know, because usually guys over the back are much quicker no, if they're smaller. No?
Kita nila dumarating yung pasa. Ito si Abuda. Ibiniti
nice.
ng bola sa ere. Maganda yun sapagkat isinaksak niya yung dibdib niya sa dibdib ni Marlo Aquino.
Para hindi siya mablangka, no? Dahil kung straight up niya
Patay.
tinira yun, eh,
Butata.
kakainin niya yun.
Butata yun. Balik sa muka ang bola. Isaan lamang ng Gordons. Bukas si Vince Season. Bukas din si Jaworski. Thinking 3. Oh!
Siguro nagustuhan niya ang pagkakita niya. Glenn McDonald, nandito
Hello.
ako, naalala mo ba ako?
Siguro si Glenn McDonald, iniisip
Natatawa pa.
Ha?
Glenn was a great shooter, pare, ha? That's why he was number 1 pick of the Boston Celtics, I think in 75 or 76. Meanwhile,
babawi, wala. And Noli Locsin, high up for the rebound. At ito, yung adrenaline ng Gordons, mataas na mataas. Pati yung pagbaba ng bola, masyadong mababa para kay Racela. Si Jaworski tumira at foul ang itatawag kay Coach Sonny Jaworski.
well, that's not gonna get away from referee Chua. Alam natin yan, yung minsan yung patalikod ni Sunny pero wala siya sa position and then he bangs again yun. Tatawagan talaga ng foul yun.
At Sonny Jaworski, nagugulat sa kanyang foul. 4 lamang ng Gordons. Abet. Pakitunan mo nga mamaya si McDonald at saka si Jaworski.
For those who appreciate quality, Outlast Battery, winner of international awards for quality.
Si De La Cruz on 2 free throw shots off a foul by Coach Sonny Jaworski kanina po sa pagpunta natin sa timeout na ito. Ito po ang ating commissioner kasama ang kanyang assistant na si Ricky Santos at meron pang isang Ricky doon, yung suki ng PBA, yung taga Bulacan.
Yes.
Si Ricky Meneses.
Sabihin ko sana Berhel eh. Kasi nagbabakasyon sila Berhel ngayon, ayaw ko kung saan.
Oo nga, no? Pero bago daw ang coach nila. Tabalita natin, si Curo Valenzuela ang magte-take over. Hison, muntik mabitawan ng bola, but he recovers just in time. Looping a pass to Aquino. Aquino, up fake. Ilista mo na yon.
Yun ang sinasabi ko. He's a great player for a big man. His thinking process is very quick eh. At saka ang kanyang reaction. Pwede niyang itira sa ere pero feeling niya kaya kong patalunin itong mga defensive player at hindi na nila ako mahihinto.
At least hindi siya complacent dahil sa height niyan 6'9".
Yeah.
Kasarapan Dr. J dito kay Marlo, if he's 6'9", ang daling hanapin eh.
Oh, that's another one of those great shots of Asay Tono. Naalala mo yan, yung panalo nila nung isang beses yata sa sa Pure Foods yun, di ba? Yung mga tinira niya.
Inangatan niya ng inangatan si Alvin Patrimonio sa bandang kaliwa dito sa same
Yeah.
court na ito. Doon sa kabila,
Sa kabila.
Cuneta,
But
no?
on that same right side of the left
Paborito
side
niya.
of the farther court. No?
Humihingi ng isolation, binigay kay Marlo. Marlo against sa Saitono. Saitono now making his move. Umatake siya. Tinakpan siya ni Marlo Aquino. At samantala naubusan ng spasyo sa ilalim.
You know, Marlo guarded him well. Marlo tried to cover the baseline and let him go down the middle. Pumilit si Nelson. Alam ni Marlo saan siya pupunta. He had to take a fadeaway shot. And the reboundings, 11-2 in this third quarter in favor of Gordons, ba?
Sonny Jaworski bibigay kay Marlo. And Sonny Jaworski second assist in the ball game.
Hindi naglaro ito nung isang araw. No?
Hindi.
Kaya rinireserva niya para sa semifinal.
Pinalaro niya yung anak niya.
Sa
Jaworski
third
pa rin
quarter.
naglaro sa third quarter.
Pero
yung junior,
inireserva niya para sa third quarter niya.
ewan ko kung ilang libo ng assist ang nagagawa nito si Coach Sonny Jaworski sa kanyang karir.
Huwag ka magbibilang.
Madami
Sasawa ka.
De La
Post up
Cruz.
play.
Dumukot kay Jaworski and he gets the foul of Sonny Jaworski. Siguro kung itong Araneta nakakapagsalita lang, sasabihin siguro to kay Jaworski, nandiyan ka pa? Naglalaro ka pa rin.
Well, first of all, I've seen him, no? And then I've been involved here since 1977, so alam ko yan. I even remember a game where he beat us in 1978. Yung sama yan sila Glenn, hindi ko maalala kung yun ang kasama. But he hit 8 3-point shots against us. in the
Yun
second
yata.
half.
Dok, yun yung 3-point shot na hindi pa extended, yung 3-point shot
Yeah.
papunta doon sa all the way sa baseline.
Yeah. And he hit those against us in the second half. Kaya kami natalo.
Doon kayo pinatay. Utex yun.
Yeah. Anyway, we have Art de la Cruz really improving on his free throw, although he did split one earlier doon sa second quarter. Pero dito sa third quarter, nakikita rin nila na si Art de la Cruz magagamit nila sa post, no? And that he can, because Gordons is not a team that double teams a lot. So they will let Art de la Cruz operate at the low post area.
Pinasahan ni Jaworski a surprise pass si Baldavid. And si Baldavid tinamaan sa muka.
Sa
Ni
pool.
Art de la Cruz. Kabit na kabit yun.
Parang yung nangyari kay Jason Webb kanina rin, halos, no? Na medyo natamaan sa mukha.
Malakas yata yung pagkakapalo ni Art de la Cruz doon sa play na yon. But Baldavid picks himself up and it's okay. Ito, tignan nyo kung saan magagaling ang help.
Well, bola hinahabol ni Art. It's
Oo.
clear, no?
Lumagpas lang.
Oo.
Pero masakit yung tama na yun. Si
You know, Art is a tough player, pero lately he's calmed down. And he's played decent, clean basketball. 3-point shot by
ang
Hison.
layo nun!
Pero ang nag-provide ng screen was the Big J himself, no? Setting him up for that, no? With that nice screen.
A 3-point lead.
5-point.
Or rather, a 5-point lead para sa Gordons. A 3-point shot by Hison. Bumawi si Racela. Wala. Nakuha ni Marlo Aquino. Siya na nagbaba ng bola. Tumama sa paa.
Yun ang mali niya.
Racela bibigay kay Saitono. Saitono ilalagay ang bola. And Jaworski hindi na isinurrender yung foul niya.
And that's a very bad move by Aquino. He should have given up the ball to Locsin or to David instead of trying to dribble the length of the floor. He can't do that.
Ito si Noli Locsin, all silent in this ball game. We haven't seen his explosion to the basket. Ito na.
Siya, double team sila.
I think I spoke too soon, Dr. J. Nag-explode nga sa basket pero
Teka muna. May tumawag yata ng foul eh. So, mawawala yung traveling dahil yung foul is always the graver penalty.
number 1,
Technical. Dahil illegal yata o whatever.
Technical foul itatawag.
Hindi, tingnan natin kung kanino. Hindi. May kumangal kaya tinawagan ng technical. Second motion. Kasi natawagan na, tingnan natin. Okay, anyway, technical foul kay Baldavid.
Second motion ang itawag kay Baldavid.
Kaninong bola? Che-checkin natin yan kung ano nagkatawagan dahil hindi tayo nagkaintindihan sa referee. Bola yata ng San Miguel. Traveling violation yung tinawag kay Noli Locsin.
Ito, tingnan natin kung saan manggagaling si Baldavid. Ito yung tira eh. Ayun, sinalya ni Baldavid si Racela.
Yeah.
Yun ang tinawag sa kanya na foul. A
So-
second motion.
So the lead is down to only 2 with 2:58 left dito sa ating third quarter.
Mike Mustre against Season. Iniikot ng San Miguel ang bola sa kanilang pagtsatsaga. Bumuka si Racela. Wala. Rebound nakuha na naman ni Sonny Jaworski. Ipinasa kay Baldavid ang nakatalikod. Si Baldavid ibibigay kay Locsin. Si Locsin ilalagay ang bola sa ring.
Well, those pick-up balls, rebounds, and loose ball recoveries have started off some fast break points for Gordons, which they've been able to capitalize very well. No?
60-56 dito sa ating third quarter. Gordons dominating the quarter so far. De La Cruz sinundutan ni Jaworski. Napunta kay Abuda. They have 10 seconds to shoot.
Masyadong malayo na si Art niyan. Mustre, not afraid to shoot the 3-point shot. Ayun si Art de la Cruz, crushing the boards. Ha?
Sobrang lakas doon sa pagkukuha ng bola. Ang pasa nakuha ni Abuda. Bagsak si Hison. At magtsatsaga pa rin sila. Kita mo, hindi pa rin nagmamadali. And tatawagan ng technical foul. And Sonny Jaworski inusli ang kanyang paa.
Yeah.
Kitang-kita yung paa ni... Oh, yan. Yan ang reklamo ni Jaworski at baka bibigyan siya ng technical doon sapagkat
Meron na nga
maganda yung sinasabi niya kay Varela. Nakaharap pa siya sa mukha ni Varela.
Meron na nga Meron na nga tinawag
Eto, tignan natin kung saan manggagaling ha. Tignan natin kung nasa ng paa ni Jaworski.
He comes out, takes it away.
Wala, hindi naman tumama eh.
Yeah, but the intention.
Yun ang sinasabi natin,
pero sa
Dr.
kanya,
J.
inalis niya kaagad yun.
Yun ang sinasabi natin doon, yung intensyon na makasakit. Yun ang mahirap. So merong timeout para palamigin ang ulo ng San Miguel. Magbabalik po kami.
Green Cross Rubbing Alcohol, the official rubbing alcohol of the PBA. Partner natin sa kalusugan.
So Jaworski still pleading his case. Ito tignan natin ulit, Dr. J, yung...
Gagamit rin natin yung telestrator. Okay, lumagpas na pala.
Pakikita natin ulit, Dr. J, yung action yung nangyari.
Yeah.
Ang sinasabi ng mga referees, hindi nga tumama ang paa ni Sonny Jaworski, pero ang tinawag nila ng technical
Yung
is the
pagkausli.
intention, yung intention.
Of course, he can also say that he was positioning himself, no? Tapos, that's why, bago dumating pa si Racela, wala na doon yung paa niya.
Binunot niya na eh, pinalayo
malayo
niya
na. No? Well, that's over. Let's see the game as it is played here.
Asaytono against Locsin. Locsin all eyes on the ball. Asaytono making his move. Naubusan ng oras.
Wala na naman.
And that's the second time na naubos ang bola sa kamay ni Nelson Asaytono. And Ron Jacobs disappointed dun sa play na yon.
Locsin has been able to bodily prevent Asaytono from getting into the 3-second area. Bangga-banggaan ang katawan. No call. So, hindi naman nakakaano si Nelson. He has not really been able to get off a shot. No?
Nakakapagod din yun, yung mga
Yeah.
bangga na ganun. Doon ka mauubos unti-unti. Si Baldavid. Ilalabas kay Jaworski from the same spot. He had one earlier. Ilista mo ang pangalawa.
Talagang natutuwa siya. Siguro nakita niya si Glenn.
Pasikat niya yan.
Nakakadalawa na siya. And this one was dead center.
2 3-point shots in the ballgame para kay Sonny Jaworski. They're on top by 6 points.
They go back to the Nelson Asaytono. And this is the way Nelson should do it. Operate closer to the basket and get that spin through the baseline.
At makikita mo itong Sonny Jaworski, no let up. Pero nito, no let up din. Bukas si Asaytono, will he challenge Jaworski?
Yes.
Pinabanda, wala. Rebound nakuha ni Abuda. The scrappy Abuda at work. Bukas si De La Cruz, lalabas kay Alan Kaidik. Jaworski recovers. Tumira si Alan Kaidik, wala. In and out. At bola mapupunta sa panig ng Gordon, si Bigay kay Hison. Hison libre, ginamit ang banda.
And that's going to be a delay of the game warning against Hison dahil that was a terrific shot. Pero pagkatapos nun, tinapik niya yung bola palabas. And that's going to be a delay of warning called against the Gordons Gin. Nagwawala ang mga fans ng Gordons.
Kumukulog po sa loob ng Araneta Coliseum. Dumadagong-dong ang paa ng napakarami. Libu-libong mga fans ng Gordons na nandito sa loob. Natutuwa sila at lamang sila ng 6 na puntos.
They need this ball game, especially with the victory of the Hot Cowboys earlier, no? Because palapit na yung mga yan.
Binigay kay Abuda, bukas si Racela sa gilid. 10 seconds to shoot. Bukas si Olsen. Ginamit ang kaliwa, wala. Pick ni Asaytono, wala. Rebound nakuha ni Asaytono pero merong foul. And what strength Asaytono has, Dr. J?
It's on Noli Locsin. That's number 3 on him and also the 4th team foul now on Gordons.
Si Noli Locsin, merong 15 puntos in the ball game and 6 rebounds. Pero meron siyang karga na ngayon. 3 personal fouls.
Correct. So sila ni Hison, they're in the same boat with 3 personal fouls apiece.
A difference of 3 seconds sa game clock at shot clock ng San Miguel Beer.
Post-up play for, nag-double team ngayon. Nice down the middle by Abuda.
Galing din ng Peke, no? Inabangan, pinakarga sila doon sa post-up lane, nilaglagi Abuda. Muna ng open layup.
Well, it's last shot time actually, pero may fouls to give ang San Miguel. Sinoli, namamadali.
Naubos ang oras sa panig ng Gordons at pagkatapos ng third quarter, sila ang lamang 4 na punto, 65-61, and Sonny Jaworski 6 points, 3 assists, walang palya sa 3-point area. Yan si Coach Sonny Jaworski para sa Gordons.
Paddock's Jeans, a legend on its own. Paddock's, the official jeans of the PBA.
12 minutes na lang nalalabi. Binura ni Marlo Aquino ang tira ni Art de la Cruz. Pero si Alan Kaidik libre at binigyan niya ng 2 puntos muli ang San Miguel.
By the way, Naron is in the ball game replacing Racela. Naipit si
David.
Pero si Noli Locsin pa rin na nakakuha ng offensive rebound despite a lot of red shirts in front of him, no?
4-4 ang kumakarga kay Noli Locsin. Ito, tignan mo Dr. J, ang one of the highlights of the third quarter. Marlo Aquino has learned a lot from Jaworski, yung pagbabato ng ganyan.
This is perfect in the sense that ang timing, pero there were 2 defenders, kaya it's not really a good throw. Pero Hison was able to get something out of that.
Meanwhile, yung fast break points Dr. J ng third quarter, 10 para sa Gordons, 4 lang sa San Miguel.
Pero ito, bumabalik ng San Miguel, pero na-miss ni Art de la Cruz yung banda, no? Takbuhan ng takbuhan dito.
Nasundot si Hison at lumabas ang bola, nakuha ni Valdavid. Itinira ni Valdavid at binigyan niya muli ng 4 na puntos na lamang.
May assist na naman si Joki, saving that ball from going out straight to the hands of Valdavid. That's an assist. The, what you call, hustle. No? Yun na kaya siguro hindi niya tinatanggal ang sarili niya dahil parang ang intensity pag wala siya, mababa.
Oo. Ito si Abuda. Hindi makatira kay Marlo, nagbago isip niya. Pero Alan thinking
3 points.
Triple V, galing kay Alan Kaidik.
Umiinit na si Kaidik. He has 5 hits, pero they've got to defend on the other end. Naron gave up that foul. Hison's got to stop double teaming. He's got to worry about Alan Kaidik because Kaidik is beginning to get hurt. Ito yung sinasabi ko. He saves the ball, although outside niya. That should have been called out, no?
Stepping yata, pero...
Buti wala tayong big nine dito. Sigurado yung mga fans sa San Miguel. Dapat yung outside bola na ng Gordons, eh.
Pero A for effort para kay Coach Sonny Jaworski. Ito, 27 points in the third quarter to only 18 by San Miguel. Another 3-point shot ni Jaworski. This one is short. Pero nakuha niya ang rebound and a foul on Alan Kaidik. Hindi niya na-box out si Sonny Jaworski.
Yeah. Kaidik was also looking at the shot, you know. Kaya nga hindi niya iniisip na, you know, it's gonna be that long a rebound. But usually misses from 3-point shots are long rebounds.
And Jaworski knew that. Ito si Harencio ipinasok sa ball game.
Tama yung pinalit si Valdavid, pinahinga muna.
Pagod na rin eh.
And they need a better defensive guy there at the post.
Jaworski niikot ang bola. Ito ang Gordons. Ito na naman another triple V. This one from Hison.
He's explosive tonight, ha? He has 23 points in the ball game, ha?
Sobrang sabog ni Vince Hison dito sa ball game na ito. At itong Gordons means business, ha? Natalo sila ng 2 beses, Dr. J. At ayaw na nilang madagdagan pa yung kanilang back-to-back losses na yan sa Elims. Abuda is open. Ando si Marlo, hindi siya makatira. 5 seconds to shoot. Si Naron, hindi malaman kung saan pupunta. Binato na lang ni Abuda yung bola at natapos ang shot clock.
24-second violation. Yan ang masama, eh. Kasi pag nabablanka ka na ni Marlo Aquino at nakita mo sa harap niyan, talagang ang tira mo, halihoy na lang.
Mahirap din, Dr. J. Kanina nakita natin si Mike Orquillas kung paano mahirapan sa pagdiskarte. Itong si Naron, tinitignan ko sa ball game, puray suka. Parang nervous na nervous sa loob ng court.
It's a tough game. It's a tough game right now.
Hison umatake. Wala ang kanyang tira, but a foul has been called at siya ay pupunta sa free throw line for 2 shots. At nakita ni Ron Jacobs ang indecision ni Naron at papalitan niya ngayon ang kanyang gwardiya. Si Olsen Racela ang kanyang ipapalit malamang.
Yes, probably. Meanwhile, you know, Hison is very quick to take advantage of the openings that he sees. Especially if Kaidik is going to be late on defense sa rotation, magkakaroon ng opening si Vince Hison.
Hison ipinasok ang kanyang unang free throw at ito na, pumasok na ang gwardiya. At si Naron, tinatawag ni Ron Jacobs upang kausapin. Sinasabi sa kanya na
tinuturoan pa niya.
Read my lips, Dr. J. Alam mo kung ano sinasabi. Pero kita mo yung paggalit niya, hindi yung paggalit na,
Yeah.
parang nagmumura na, no?
Hindi mo naman pwede pagalitan dahil siyempre rookie pa lamang yan. At pangalawa, he's just beginning to learn the ropes. And you know, this is the PBA. Look at Gordon's field goal percentage in the third quarter.
73%.
Somebody's wide open there.
Tip in, wala. And Noli Locsin kinuha ang rebound. Si Noli Locsin nakadampot ng kanyang ikapitong rebound sa ball game. Umaatake si Vince Season, hindi siya nakakakuha ng puntos pero nakakakuha siya ng foul. Si Art De La Cruz ang tatawagan ng foul. Si Vince Season, Dr. J, 18.5 points ang average niya. Pero ngayon, meron ng itinatala si Season na 25 puntos.
Well, Harencio having some problems throwing in. They better check. Marlo Aquino!
In
Wow!
your face!
Woohoo!
Dr. J, yun ang tinatawag kong facial.
Ano yung dermatologist? Pupunta ka ba ng derma, partner?
Si Asaytono bibigyan ng isang facial ni Marlo Aquino.
You know, when he goes up in the air like that, no matter how strong the bull is, parang idinadala na niya yung kamay ni
Oh,
Asaytono.
inangat eh. Sinama, kita mo yung power. Yun ang sinasabi kong deceptively strong
Yeah,
na Marlo Aquino.
It's like Charles Barkley. Pag sinalubong mo sa area,
Kapatay ka, sasama ka niya.
Sasama ka niya. Isushoot ka na rin niya kung pwede.
Marlo Aquino connecting on the free throw to give Gordon its biggest lead of the ball game at 9 points.
But the pacing down by Jaworski in the second quarter is helping them. Finally, humingi ng timeout si Olsen Racela.
A 20-second timeout hiningi ni Coach Ron Jacobs. Time to regroup para sa kanyang kupunan. Alam nilang mahirap ito. Gordon, nakakaramdam na sila paputok na o pumuputok na talaga sila, Dr. J.
Well, rumatsyada na sila courtesy of Hison and I think the leadership of Sonny Jaworski.
Kung titignan mo, Dr. J, itong San Miguel, maiisip mo ba na ang isang team na sinabing pipilay-pilay ay makakarating pa sa semifinals?
Well, it's a tribute to their determination, no, at saka their team play. More than anything else, their defense held them through the first 6-7 games, and then eventually their offense began to bloom also as some of the players began to get confidence. Now, this game is far from over. It's 9 minutes and 16 seconds, although Gordons has certainly turned it around. Siyam na ngayon ang lamang nila from being down by 5 at the half, no?
Ito si Asaytono umatake, ganamit ang banda and he will get a 3-point play opportunity. Bagsak si Aquino, nagkaroon ng X-X sa depensa nila sa ilalim, Dr. J.
Yes. Pido Harencio yata ang may foul noon.
Ang ganda nung 20-second timeout na yan, Dr. J. Enough time para makarecover sila.
And
Baka
set up
set up
a
sila
good
ng play para kay Asaytono.
Correct. Well, siguro, sinabi na ni Jacobs, Nelson, ang ginagawa mo, masyado mong linalabanan si Locsin sa post. Imbis na umatake ka nakaharap sa basket and just go straight in, bahala na, di ba? Which is what he did in this play, no? He did get a screen and got the ball and got that one-on-one play against Pido Harencio.
Para kasi dati inaabangan niyang lumapit sa kanya si Locsin eh.
Nagpapabangga ka pa, ikaw ma-off position.
9 minutes. A 6-point lead para sa kupunan ng Gordon's Gin. At foul ang itatawag sa ilalim. Si Abuda ang tatawagan ng foul. Ikatlo ni Abuda yan. At dahil nasa penalty na, ang kupunan ng San Miguel at this early, they have 17 fouls in total. So free throw shooting situation ito.
Well, it's a big contrast in the first half wherein San Miguel got the benefit of shooting free throws. Like I nabanggit ko sa'yo kanina, 14 ang binigay sa kanila, they made 9. Gordon's had only 3 given them, they made 2.
Si Noli Locsin kinonekta ang kanyang unang free throw shot. 8 minutes and 57 seconds left dito sa ating ball game. Lamang pa rin ang Gordons kontra sa San Miguel Beer. Noli Locsin 8 rebounds and hindi na ako magtataka. Hindi na ako magtataka, Dr. J.
That's nothing new. He averages 10 or a little over 10 a ball game. No? May mga konting points dyan. Sometimes, in one sequence, nakakatatlo yun.
Yun ang mahirap sa kanya,
sa offensive. Nakakatatlong rebound in one sequence, in one play.
A rebounding demon, si Noli Locsin. Dito, 8 seconds to shoot para sa San Miguel Beer. Posting up. Asaytono, 4 seconds to shoot, 3 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound nakuha. Nakno, nabitawan ni Pido Harencio. Kita mo si Pido, ha? Pagkatapos nung kanyang miscue, balaktot ng konti. he is not 100% fit, no? Hindi pa siya 100%
Yeah.
na nakakabalik.
And that's a bad miscue. Mag-isa ka nag-rebound, wala ka namang kalaban, di mo pa makuha bola. Kailan mo pa makukuha bola?
Asay Tono, ando si Locsin sa kanyang harapan. Making his move. Pinangat ang bola sa harap ni Noli Locsin na foul. Yun ang hinahanap niya palagay ko, Dr. J, no? Na maalis na sa Noli Locsin sa kanya dahil sa mga foul.
Well, if you notice, in the last two plays, hindi na siya bumaback up. Naka-frontal face basket ang tinatawag natin ang pagka-atake niya kay Nolo Locsin. Where he has more room to operate.
Si Noli Locsin ang tinawagan ng kanyang ika-apat na foul at si Nelson Saitono. Again, another explosion. He has equaled his average of 29.5 points per ball game.
And we're still 8 minutes and 23 seconds away from the conclusion of this match.
But Dr.
But
J,
big numbers. I really saw the numbers. It was big, you know. I mean, that's a big contribution.
hindi pa lumalabas yan since he came in sa third quarter. Sabi mo nga,
I think he really wants to win this ball game. He knows how important it is not to lose 3 in a row. Alam mo, pag rumatsyada, itong Gordos, in the past, meron silang habit na pag rumatsyadang matalo. Ang haba. Kasing haba nung panalo rin nila eh. And at this stage, you cannot afford that because you're in the semis, no?
8 minutes and 10 seconds left. Ikot ng bola para sa Gordons. Pumuposte si Locsin, hindi makita ni Jaworski ang puwang. Ito ngayon, nabuka si Jaworski. Will hitting 3. Yes,
Yeah,
he
he's
does!
thinking three, and
Jaworski!
That's his third. Sige, sabi niya, iniiwanan niyo ako rito, ha? You're sagging down off me, ha? If my son could not make one shot, I'll do it all for him. Babawi ko yan.
Sana boundary para sa pamilya Jaworski dito. Ha? Boundary na sila.
Ano ba boundary?
Sobra na pa.
630.
Hindi, kita na pala, hindi lang boundary, Dr. J. Kita na, sapagkat nakakaisa si Dudut per game. Minsan si Jaworski Sr. hindi nakakaisa. So, kita na silang mag-ama ngayon. And Sonny Jaworski nailing his third 3-point shot of the ball game. Who would think? Patapos ng mahigit 20 taon sa PBA.
Tumitira ka pa ng
Tumitira pa ito ng 3-point shot. Pero yan talaga yung master niyang laro kahit dati.
Yes. Now, besides the driving in, the barreling drive. Now, meantime, nakita mo ang adjustment on the part of Gordons. They put Marlo Aquino on Nelson Asaitono, which I think is the right move. First of all, Marlo only committed his first foul. He's free from foul trouble. And I think he would be a tough defender for Nelson at this stage, who has changed his style by attacking frontally, hindi na yung paatras-atras.
Doc, yung huling tira ni Sonny Jaworski, sorry sa mga fans ni Coach, pero sinabi 2 points shot.
2 points.
Yes.
So, it was
Kaya
adjusted.
78 lang ang score natin.
Adjusted. Dito sa atin, hindi rin natin makita, nagkaroon ng signal, just like what happened earlier, no, doon sa tira ni Mustriata, no, yung antimanong tira.
Dr. J, isang araw pinanonood ko yung mga video ni Sonny Jaworski yung first 10 years ng PBA. Hindi ganito kalapad ng katawan ni Jaworski. Payat siya nung mga una, pero ngayon biglang lumapad, ano?
Well, alam mo naman, as we grow older, for every year that you grow older, you're supposed to gain 1 pound.
Yun ba yun?
Sige, patanda ka na patanda, maalala mo.
Delikado.
Yeah. Unless you keep on working out. And you know, obviously, if Sonny stops playing, he's going to balloon because ang kanyang
Yung kain
build, at saka yung build niya is really
Talagang malapad.
magiging matabayan. So he has to work out, no?
Sonny Jaworski, alam natin ang work ethic niyan eh. Workout, basketball practice, araw-araw, basketball. A 6-point lead para sa Gordons. Balik, Alan Kaidik. Ang ganda na execution, pero hindi maganda ang tira. But Alan Kaidik recovers. Tinalo niya si Noli Locsin sa rebound doon, Dr. J.
Hindi na tumalon si Noli. Yun ang problema eh.
Hison.
Pagod na rin eh.
Nakakaramdam. Kanina pa natin napapansin niya. Nasundot naman ni Art de la Cruz ang pasa ni Hison.
Yes, you cannot pass that way without really setting yourself up properly.
Rosella, ginulo ang depensa. Binigay kay Art de la Cruz. Short on that shot si Art de la
Way
Cruz.
short. Humihingi siya ng tusok dito sa aking wrist, sabi niya sa mga ref.
Parenzo, babagsak kay Locsin ang bola. Locsin, harap sa ring. Mabagal ang reaksyon ng San Miguel, ha?
Ang problema talaga ng San Miguel, very, very clear. They don't have a center who can really cover the middle, you know, and intimidate those kind of shots. Ang naglalaro ng sentro is actually Asaitono or a makeshift in Abuda, no?
Humingi.
They're small and not wide-bodied.
Ito, humingi ng bola si Asaitono. Bukas si Rosella, bukas si Kaidik. Kaidik lumapit ng konti, tumigil sa ere, wala. Rebound, nakuha ni Jaworski. Inilabas kay Hison. Ito, 2-on-1. Labas, Marlo Aquino ay na-foul given up by Asaitono. Offensive foul ang itinawag, Dr. J.
Well, not a very good angle, pero maybe it might be correct, you know, if we take a look. Because sa atin, hindi natin makita covered yun, eh, no?
Ito, tignan natin kung takip tayo. May tukod sa ilalim, pero Dr. J, parang natural na movement mo yan, di ba,
Yeah.
pag lulundag ka?
Yep, well, it's his decision, it's his judgment. Coach pa rin tingin dito, tawa ng tawa. In a sense, I really think the officiating has still been very solid. And
Eto,
that's a nice
dumukot sa
pass.
ilalim.
Pero dikit na naman ang laro. 4 lamang ang lamang ng Gordons. No matter what they do, they can't seem to put away San Miguel, no?
Dalawang pagtatapat ng dalawang kupunan ito, parehong sa eliminations. Nakita natin ang Gordons nanalo ng 83-81 on a buzzer beater by
Baldavid.
Baldavid.
3-point shot.
Yung
actually.
dalawa pa gumagawa, no, di ba?
Yep.
Reversing the ball is Jaworski. Bigay kay Harencio,
That's
taking
long.
3.
That's long. That's way off the mark.
Asa ito na binigay kay Racela. Will he take it? No, binigay niya kay De La Cruz, and De La Cruz finishes. What execution ng San Miguel doon sa kanilang fast break.
And the lead is down to only 2. He's
He's on
gonna take
3.
another 3.
This one is out, pero ando si Marlo Aquino. Inista mo na naman, hindi pa pala. Pero ando si Noli Locsin. Ito ang ililista natin.
Hindi pa rin.
Ayaw magpalista ng puntos, Dr. J.
What a struggle this has been. You know, the board control of Gordons has kept their head above water, but they're a tired bunch right now. Pagod na yan.
Ito, pag susubok si Sonny Jaworski, taktakin ng konti at bigyan ng konting lakas ang kanyang kupunan, malamang ilalabas na ni Sonny Jaworski ang kanyang sarili.
Very possible.
Nandiyan na si Baldavid sa
Or si
loob.
Pido.
O si Pido, hindi siya yung old Pido Harencio.
Well, you
It'll
know,
take time, no?
slowly, yes. Even Barkley when saying coming off injury, you're playing on a high level. Baski na alam kong magaling na player ako, it takes me time to get myself, my rhythm back when I'm competing against this kind of level. Di bali, kung naglalaro yan katulad nat, kalaban tayo.
Hindi, patay yun. Pag tayo yun, kahit
Tama na. Kita mo,
10-1.
siya nga pinalitan.
Lobas si Pido Harencio, Sonny Jaworski still in the ball game. And Sonny Jaworski, believe ka rin dito, Dr. J, yung kanyang ability to keep up with the younger players of the league.
I really believe the only reason he's playing extended in this ball game is he feels that if he takes himself out,
wala
iba ang
yung
intensity ng mga players nila. And right now, they're riding that crest, no? And they're still not above San Miguel. They're only on top by 4 points.
Si Jaworski ang spark plug ng Gordons dito sa game na ito. Asa ito na being given the isolation, pero si Jaworski nandun.
Tamo, nakaharap na siya parati, hindi na siya lumalayo. Napapansin mo yan.
Andun si Freddy Abuda, scrappy for the rebound. Unahan, ang bola, muntik naming masalo.
Nasa loob ni ano?
Buti mabilis ka ng konti, Dr. J, no?
Reflexes natin. Hanggang ngayon mabilis yan.
Yan ang dapat hindi mawawala. Kung hindi, mabubukulan tayo dito. Asay Tono with 33 points and 10 rebounds. Kumpara natin kay Noli Locsin. Si Locsin merong 20
and
puntos, 9 rebounds.
Asay Tono has really carried the brunt of scoring. And he's been the go-to guy for them in this ball game, no?
Dr. J, trivia, yung San Miguel unbeaten dito sa Big Dome.
3-0 nga. Bago dito. And one time natalo na dito ang Gordons, their first game here.
A 4-point lead para sa Gordons, 83-79. We are in the last 4 minutes and 46 of the ball game. At Dr. J, inakala natin talagang ganitong struggle na to. Yun nga ang nakukuha natin.
And it also happened in the first game where Pure Foods beat Santa
Dr. J,
Lucia
yan,
75-73.
Thank God it's Friday. Pagka Friday pala, hindi natatalo itong San Miguel Beer.
And ngayon, they're just down by 2. Asay Tono has changed his game completely.
Kumatake bigla. Yun, lumapit si Marlo sa kanya. And the 20-second timeout now being called by Coach Sonny Jaworski with 4:32. Mabalik tayo kay Asay Tono. Nakita mo yung pagpapalit, Dr. J, nakita niya yung Marlo. Lamang siya ng konti sa mobility. Inatake niya si Marlo Aquino for his 35th point of the ball game. Anong gusto ni Sonny Jaworski sa team niya dito sa 20-second timeout?
Well, I think more than anything, they need to score on this play. Makinig na lang tayo.
Ginamit ni Coach Sonny Jaworski yung time na yon para i-recall o ulitin, ano? Ito, nakakatakot, Dr. J. Buhos ng puntos. Ang Gordons, 10-1 ang record when scoring at least 85 points. They're almost there, Dr. J.
Well, there was a bad thing like that in the first game when Santa Lucia holds teams to 76 points and when below they have 6-1. Ayun, nagka-bad inbound na.
Ayun, ang laking putok nun. And to think, galing sila sa isang 20-second timeout, Dr. J.
It was really wasted. Nag-miscommunication si Baldavid. Nung pinasa ni Jowo, siya naman ay papasok. So, kalokohan yung mga ganyan record. It really helps, but the game situation is completely different. I doubt if none of the teams will score less than 85 here.
Lalo na to, semifinals pa, Dr. J. Samantala, tatawagan si Coach Sonny Jaworski ng kanyang ikatlong personal foul on Art de la Cruz. Ang Gordon still one team foul away from entering the penalty. Ang San Miguel nasa penalty na.
Yeah, they have 9 team fouls already in this quarter.
Pilipinas, magandang gabi. Gordon Spot, San Miguel Beer sa ating buena mano ng ating semifinals. Buena manong araw dito sa Araneta Coliseum.
Haharap na naman sa basket si Aceitono.
Para talagang toro, Dr. J, nakita mo yung manunuwag, yung
Ayan, babalik.
baba yung sungay niya. Aceitono missing and Jaworski for the rebound. Hindi sa talon, hindi sa bilis, but sa positioning niya nakukuha.
He's got that jump. He's got that short, choppy jump.
Jaworski, isa-set up si Noli Locsin.
Babalikan ulit ang double team. Ma-open
Bukas si Jaworski pero binigay kay Val David. 8 seconds to shoot. Andito si Vincison. Sumisid si Vincison! At hindi siya nalunod.
Hison has really just been able to come up with some big baskets at the right time. That's a terrific play with the time running down.
He's on 27 points in the ballgame.
3 minutes and 30 seconds left in this match. 4-point lead for the Beerman. Post play for Art de la Cruz.
This one is short and Sonny Jaworski called for the foul. Dr. J, ngayong summer, ang sarap mag-swimming eh. Ipakikita sa atin ni Hison kung paano yung sisid. Oh, ang galing talaga niya sa tirang ganyan, Dr. J. Yung sumisisid muna, yung buwelo para makabasket at ginamit ang banda. Vince Hison for his 27th point of the ball game.
Yan ang napapansin natin sa ating mga basketball players nowadays. A lot of them are able to glide to the basket. They hang in the
nila,
area and glide to the basket to be able, you see that in Jeffrey Carriazo. Sometimes even in Glenn Capasio, di ba, nakikita mo.
Ibitin, samantala, De La Cruz missing a crucial free throw.
Nelson Aceitono does that a lot,
Yung original na glider, no?
Si Berel, no araw.
Magaling,
Pero siguro sa second conference, gag-glide ulit.
Babawi yan.
Inaanak ko.
Babalik niya yung kanyang kapa dahil nawala yung kapa niya. Si Durendes, isa pang magaling na glider yun. Naku, dalawang free throw na wala pero
bumalik.
nakuha.
Si Abuda kept that ball alive.
Si Abuda will hurt you in so many ways. Aceitono, sinupalpal! At foul ang itinawag ni Benji Chua. And that's got to hurt, Dr. J.
Oh, that really hurts because let's take a look at that play. I mean, medyo na late step si Marlo pero nabasa niya yung gagalaw ni Nelson Aceitono.
Ni foul, Dr. J. Sumabit, pero yung action mo, no, Dr. J, talagang dahil kasama na yun, Parang, pwede bang merong give and take na dun sa ganong klaseng sitwasyon?
Masyado yata mabilis ulit yun. Gusto ko makita kasi dito sa akin. Anyway, 2 free throws coming up for Nelson Aceitono, who's had a big offensive night. And he misses. Tatlong consecutive misses from the free throw line.
Bagay nito.
Dalawa galing kay Art de la Cruz, isa kay Nelson.
At poetic justice para kay Coach Sonny Jaworski na kinakausap pa si Varela hanggang ngayon.
Pero hindi naman si Barela tumawag nun.
Hindi, si Benji Chua tumawag. Si Benji Chua yung nandito sa kabilang side, no?
First miss ni Nelson Aceitono in this ball game, from the free throw line.
The second free throw rather. It's a 3-point lead para sa Gordons, 85-82. 3 minutes, 10 seconds. Ito po ang ating final quarter.
Anybody's ball game pa rin.
Val David, ginamit ang banda. Wala. Ang rebound nakuha ni Nelson Aceitono.
Well, the bid not playing the clock and not using his teammates, no?
Tumalikod. Andun si De La Cruz and Jaworski na called for the foul. He was the defender at saka last line nakita niya bumukas yung tao niya. So, wala na siyang magagawa kundi foul.
Late ang kanyang dating and that was a very good outlet pass given up by the San Miguel team. Valdebid making a very bad decision and because of that parang nadismaya yung mga kakampi niya, mabagal ang baba nila.
Yun ang isang problema, no? Yun ang nakikita natin na chink in the armor nitong si Valdebid.
Because he's been a hero several times and katulad nga ng sabi na aking kasamang si Ed Pixon baka nasa Baguio, he's beginning to love the hero image, sometimes you look for it.
Art de la Cruz missing his third consecutive free throw.
Kung maging maalat pala, sobrang alat, no?
And Ron Jacobs sa sideline, merong ipino-point out.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Baka may pumasok, so naghahanap siya ng baka replay sana doon sa free throw shot, no?
Buti na lang, naipasok ni Art de la Cruz ang kanyang pangalawang free throw. It's a 2-point lead para sa Gordons. We're approaching the 2-minute mark of this ball game. Jaworski hinahanap si Hison. Hison na agawan pa ni Art de la Cruz.
And he's going to the left. That's not his strong point.
Na-overplay yung kanan niya, no? Hindi siya naka-discarte sa kanan.
Alam mo, Gordons, parang sila naghahabol. Sila nag-aapura imbis na trying to play.
Asay todo ginamit ang banda rebound nakuha ni Locsin.
Yun, nabasa ni Marlo Aquino yung kanyang kilos.
Sinabayan, ano?
All the way. Sabi ko nga, para sila naghahabol. Sila pa namamadali, no?
Bukas si Jaworski, thinking 3, Jaworski.
Short.
This one is short. Rebound, nakuha pa ni Jaworski. Binigay kay Baldabid, ngunit nasundot.
Kickball.
At tatawagan ng kickball si Asaytono. This is a critical call, Dr. J. Pero
And it sets the
makikita
shot
natin
clock
yan.
at 24. Yeah, let's take a look at that.
So, good break ito para sa panig
Yeah.
ng Gordons dahil
They get
libre na sa fast break yung kabila.
That was 2 points kung hindi natawagan ng ganun. But let's see if it's true. It's true, like I said.
Ang sigaw para kay Coach Sonny Jaworski. Sa ngayon na nag-orchestrate ng play.
They've got a lot of time to set up this half-court play.
Bukas si
Almost a
Marlo
steal.
Aquino, dumukot. Naku,
Wala.
wala ang kanyang tira. Nakuha ni Asaytono.
Mali rin yung ginawa ni Asaytono dun, ha?
Last 2 minutes is brought to you by New Premium Dry London Gin. Just
Time out.
right for you. At timeout, itatawag ni Racela. Magbabalik po kami.
It's Richard Franklin Pila, the official outfitter of the PBA.
24 seconds. Sila talagang ganyan.
Pa-down Racela.
Si Valdavid Hilone.
Sakit ng katawan? Time for Alaxan. Also for rheumatism and arthritis. Even for toothaches.
San Miguel looking for the equalizer dito sa huling 1 minute and 45 of the ball game.
Both teams are in the penalty right now. They're going to Asaytono against Marlo Aquino. He's backing up. He's getting nowhere. Oh, almost a steal. Nakakompleto
completed.
nga.
At dediretso na ngayon ang Gordo sa atake. Noli Locsin ginamit ang banda. Wala na kuha ni Baldabid. And Baldabid iintay na yung kanyang mga kampi.
No, sabi sa'yo, hindi ganong klaseng player yan eh. Pero good thing for them, the other team is in the penalty, di ba? So he will go to the free throw line because of the penalty situation, Chino.
Ito nilapitan ni Jaworski si Baldabid para bigyan ng
Konting kumpiyansa dahil mula nung tinira niya yun, parang natulala
Nalamig
siya.
siya,
Alam
oh.
niya, mali yung ginawa niya, nag-aapuro siya, sila lamang. Eh, parang after that, he lost a little confidence. Pero, ganyan si coach eh, di ba?
And Baldabid missing the free throw.
Walang kumpiyansa.
Kaya kalimutan niya to. Mabigat itong pagmintisa. At pansinin niyo si Baldabid. Ito kakaibang klaseng free throw as we see Gordon's missing 3 free throws dito sa fourth quarter. San Miguel not too far away.
Ayan pa, isa.
Missed 4.
Wala nang kumpiyansa si Bale. That's why he missed those shots after, all those movements there previous to that play.
Paano ka babangon? Yan ang kailangan gawin ni Baldabid. Gordon still up by 2 points. They go to De La Cruz against Jaworski.
And no double teaming, ha? No double teaming, ha?
Ano itatawag? Counted?
Foul.
Counted. Yes, counted ang tira. And a foul on Jaworski.
Yes. So,
Jaworski called for his 5th personal foul.
yeah, I'm really surprised they did not double team. Pupuntahan nila si Art de la Cruz against Jaworski at the post if they're not gonna double team. Meanwhile, Mustre is coming in to replace Alang Kaidik.
Ang laking bagay nito, Dr. J. Napakalaking basket na yon na in-score ni De La Cruz sa muka ni Coach Sonny Jaworski.
And he has a 3-point play. And napakalaking misses that Baldabid did from the free throw line as well as the layup of Marlo Aquino previous to that.
Ang hirap ng ahon ng Gordon's Dr. J.
Kasi parehong 85. Wala pa rin.
And rebound to Noli Locsin. Ito si Baldabid. Kailangan makarecover siya. Wala yung composure niya. Wala yung discarding niya sa sarili niya.
I just call the play. He's a point guard. Just call the play. There are a lot of other players who can score in that team, including this guy who's been their top scorer. That's going to be another foul. So Locsin goes to the free throw line. You can see the frustration kay Noli.
Saka alam niya rin, Dr. J, na hindi kasing anghang, no? Yung laro niya. Hindi ganun kaanghang dito. Napansin na natin yan nung last game nila kung saan sila natalo ng Mobiline. Ito si Noli Locsin will have 2 free throw shots. Si Noli Locsin dito sa ball game na ito, not bad. That's 20 points and 10 rebounds. Maria's 4 personal fouls. Ito, matetesting na naman yung tigas o yung lambot ng kanyang kamay pamula sa free throw line.
Well, 20 points and 10 rebounds certainly is already a good night, no, for anybody, no. And Noli has the chance to give them a better lead, pero they continue to miss from the free throw line.
Noli Locsin, a 62% free throw shooter. 62 of 100 shots. Aba, eksakto yun.
Alam mo, when the pressure comes, that's when you begin to miss free throw shots. Kahit sabihin mo na wala kang taong nasa harap mo. He's been doing so well previous to this. He was 5 out of 7, no? 6 out of 7. Then he missed this one.
Noli Locsin for his second free throw. Tatlong putol. Wala. Rebound na kay Marlo Aquino. Pinalo up ni Marlo Aquino.
That's a
And he
big,
saves the day, Dr. J.
big offensive rebound follow-up. Big offensive.
Lamang ng dalawang Gordons. Magbabalik kami. Sa ating game reset, ang Gordons meron bang tatlong baon na timeout. Ang San Miguel iisa na lamang at parehong kupunan nasa penalty. So,
Yes.
baka mahaba pa itong 48.7 seconds na ito, Dr. J.
Yes, and you know, Gordons really has all those timeouts and they should use it because some of their players are really tired. Of course, momentum is on their side. They have a 2-point lead. San Miguel obligadong ko tumawag ng timeout na yun to bring back Alan Caidic also into the ball game.
Si Marlo Aquino nakascore kanina ng follow-up of 2 misses by Noli Locsin.
Big free throw, a big follow-up shot, like I said. Both teams are in the penalty, so Alcen is going to attack Baldabid. He's going to get away.
Binalik ni Asaytono. Asaytono bumitin ang kanyang dunk. Wala. Ano si Freddy Abuda. Bagsak si Jaworski. Bagsak din si Abuda. 29 seconds to go. 87-85 ang score natin. Gordons lamang ng dalawa. Asaytono, foul ang itatawag and 2 free throw shots will be awarded kay Nelson Asaytono of a foul by Marlo Aquino.
Yes, both teams are in the penalty, so Asaytono going to the free throw line. These are important free throws with only 22.5 seconds left in this ball game.
Sonny Jaworski, picture of concern sa kanyang muka. Asaytono, 2 free throw shots. Si Asaytono before this ball game, kung accuracy lamang sa 3-point, sa free throw line ang pag-uusapan, 82% free throw shooter sa Dr. J.
Yes. Well, he is a very, very decent free throw shooter, pero minsan statistics at this stage.
Tinatapon mo yan.
Yeah. Even if you're very poor, bigla naman
Gumagaling
tumatapang
ka.
ang loob mo.
Ba, hindi masama. 90% this ball
Look
game.
at the points he has, 36 and 13 rebounds. Makes
He
that
makes
first.
free throws.
Then, balik na naman si Musre para kay Alan Caidic, obviously for defensive purposes.
Yes. Ito yung mga sinasabi natin, strategic substitutions ng kupunan.
Well, if Asaytono misses, it's going to be a very important rebound play for both clubs.
87-86. Asaytono.
Marami pang timeout ang Gordon, so pag pumasok ito, we might expect them to call at least one of those 3 that they have left. Pero hindi,
And a quick timeout ng Gordons hiningi. Magbabalik po kami. Pwede.
Sino mo nanalo? Sino yung winning basket sa akin nyo, ha?
Ah. 87 all ang ating score. Ang oras, 22.9 seconds, and Sonny Jaworski opting to inbound from the baseline dun sa kabila ng court.
Well, a lot more space. Sabi nga ni Jacobs, huwag na tayo mag-press. Alam mo, baka makalusot pa yung mga yan eh. Yan muna tayo sa half court. Konting pressure pero half court tayo. Si Art de la Cruz, pressing on his own.
Tabla panalo ang sitwasyon, Dr. J,
Kung
para
hindi
sa...
maagawan.
Yes. 87 all tayo. And Valdavid looking at the shot clock.
Maybe he can be the hero again.
He says
Sinisigaw na. Ayan na, hinahanap nila si Ison.
Valdavid ang umatake. At
Yeah,
nakakuha ng foul.
Oh, big call. Pero hindi pa rin tapos. 2.5 seconds. The play was for Hison. You can see Jaworski.
Lumabas eh.
Yeah, screen for him. Pero nakita ni Valdevid yung pagkakataon na sumaksak, so he went straight in.
Dok, nakita ko kanina kung paano binitbit ni Sonny Jaworski si Valdevid.
Yeah.
Parang gisingin, no?
Oo, oy.
Pagganahin yung dugo niya.
Kung pwede, sasampalin niya. Gising ka lang, partner.
gising ka na, kailangan natin
tapos
to.
na yung kanina. Hindi kita naman pinagagalitan doon sa mga misis mo eh. Basta
Ito ang foul.
ito, dito ka magpagaling.
Before this free throw shot, 0 of 2 si Valdevid. At ito ang free throw shooting ng magkabilang kupunan dito sa quarter na ito.
Parang mailap sa kanya yung Araneta eh. No? Parang kasi hindi yata sila masyado nag-i-ensayo dito.
Oo.
I know for a fact they practice at Cuneta a lot.
Pero dito hindi yata sila makakuha ng booking.
Oh.
Ang hindi natin nakikita yung 0 of 2 ni Valdevid. He converts the free throw.
Malaki. Pero may timeout pa yun ha.
Meron pa isang timeout yan.
May timeout pa yan.
And David,
Pwede rin niya mag-miss na ito. Magkakagulo na sila rito. 2.5 seconds na lang.
ito ang desisyon dito. Miss ba ako o ipapasok ko itong free throw ito? Minis ni Valdevid. Nakuha ni Noli Locsin. Ipinalo up. At
Tapos
doon
ang laro.
nagtapos ang laban. Ang score 88-87. Nanalo ang Gordons again on the heroics of Valdevid. At Sonny Jaworski lumapit kay Ron Jacob sa gitna. At silang dalawa ay nagpapalitan ng congratulations. Sonny Jaworski ay nakita natin na talagang kakaiba ang inilaro dito, Dr. J. At kasama ni Anthony Suntay, si Dr. J, itong si Big J na talagang kakaiba ipinakita sa larong ito.
Yeah, I chose him as one of the best players of the game. Actually, there are two. The other one, hahanapin pa nila.
Anthony,
So,
Okay,
you start
maraming
off-
salamat. Una sa lahat, sir, na kinarinig natin dito. Coach Sonny, yung sigawan ng mga tao, tutuwa sila sa nangyari ngayon. Coach, pag-usapan muna natin, did you really ask Valdevid to miss that second free throw?
Hindi. Na-miss lang.
Na-miss lang po talaga?
Na-miss lang.
How big was this game for you? Kasi, coming off back-to-back losses, sinasabi ng mga tao, you were reeling, kailangan talaga manalo ngayon.
Well, semis to eh. So, obviously, you got to win as many games as you can. But the games do come one at a time. So, every game should really be worked on and pagtulong-tulungan.
So, kumusta naman po yung outlook niyo dito sa semifinals?
I can't ask, for anything else. Nanalo tayo ng first game. So, sana tuloy-tuloy pa. Saka nakakatuwa yan, no? Sa lahat po na manonood, nako, maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay nyo ng PBA, lalo na yung pag-cheer nyo sa amin. Malaking bagay po yan at sa mga nandito. Sa lahat sa inyo. Salamat.
Okay, Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
We're gonna take a break. We'll be right back after this.
okay. Marami pa bang commercial to? Marami pa siyang commercial na natitira.
Well, the final score here, Gordon's Gin winning over San Miguel B with a score of 88-87. Our player of the game, Vince. How important was this game really for you guys?
Actually, very important because we've lost a lot in the past two, and this is the start of the semis. So it was just one we really had to get, one we really needed.
So is this going to be a start of good things to come for you guys here in the semifinals?
I hope we can take everything one game at a time, just like we've been doing all along, and just pray for the best.
Okay, Vince, congratulations.
Thanks, Anthony.
Okay, we're going to take a break. Marami pa po tayong hinahanda para sa inyo, so don't go away right after this.
Sobra daming commercial natin.
Iba talaga yung Gordons. The slimmest of margins, Dr. J. 1 point para sa kupunan ng Gordons, nanalo sila kontra sa San Miguel. Anong kahalagahan ng ball game? Tinatanong ni Anthony. Siyempre, nakarecover sila, pero itong number 11 wins na ito, anong kulang pa?
You think of 1 and 2 at the moment, bahala na kung may mag 5 out of 8. And right now, because of their 11th win, they're 2 games ahead of Pure Foods, 3 games ahead of Santa Lucia, and 4 games ahead of San Miguel, 3.5 games against Mobiline. So, yun ang pinaka-importante sa kanila na they distance themselves from their closest pursuers, and in this case, it happens to be Pure Foods. They don't have to worry about the 5 of 8 habang lumalayo sila ng lumalayo.
Okay, ang ating pong unfinished business, ang ating Hardiflex Building Boards King of the Boards, ay ibibigay natin sa mamang nagtrabaho ng todo-todo. Hindi mo na pwedeng ipagkailan na siya yung pinakamaraming rebounds ito. 13 rebounds, Nelson Asaitono. Kulang lang yung kanyang heroics. 13 rebounds para kay Nelson Asaitono. Schedule natin sa darating na linggo. Makikita natin yung pagtatapat ng dalawang kompanan na natalo sa first game, Santa Lucia at San Miguel. At sa second game, Pure Foods, susubukang ilapit din uli yung sarili nila sa sunod ng Gordons. Katapat nila man ang surprise, another surprise package ng ating semis, ang Mobiline. Dr. J, yung Gordons, lumalayo, sumasama yung Pure Foods sa kanila. Umpisa pa lang ito na semifinals.
Well, you know, a lot of people, the way they played, they're number 1 and 2 teams. But it's really up to the others to follow up and see if they can catch up. No?
Okay, yan po ang storya para sa biyernes na ito. Nanalo kanina ang kupunan ng Pure Foods. 2 puntos, nanalo naman ang Gordon sa ating main game. Sa score ng 88-87 para kay Dr. J, sa ating direktor Abit Ramos. At sa lahat po na nagtatrabaho dito sa Vintage Sports. Ito po si Chino Trinidad. Nagpapasalamat sa inyo, sa buong Pilipinas. Magandang gabi at linggo. Basketball uli dito sa Vintage Sports sa pamamagitan ng PBA.